Guys, AJ here, back on another one for you. It's Tuesday, guys. It's Tuesday. So we all know what that means, guys. It's courtroom madness, guys. Courtroom madness. Now, guys, the race card is out. Let me put that away for now. But we're probably going to need it for later, right? I hope you guys' week is going pretty good. You know what I mean? I hope all is well. It snowed this morning here, and I hate the snow. I hate it, guys. If you want to join the panel early, I dropped a link in the Discord. Please make sure to go over to the Discord. If you haven't joined the Discord yet, I will drop that here in just a minute. Give me a second. I'll do that right now because I always drop the link to the lives in the Discord first, and then so what'll happen is in a couple of months I'm going to drop the Discord for anyone to join at any time, but I'm going to keep this to the lives so that you guys that really rock with the channel can join the Discord. So David, Rage Gamer, what's up, guys? Good to see you. Let me give me a minute here. Angel, what's up, man?
Yes. What's up, AJ? Good evening, everybody.
How you been, man? Good to see you. Hey, did it snow up there?
Oh, yes, it did. We had like about 4, maybe 5 inches.
Yikes, man. Yikes. No, thanks.
I hate it, man. I hate it.
We agree. That's why we're friends, man. I hate the snow. Give me 1 second. Give me a second. I'm just doing one thing here, guys. Doing some housekeeping here.
I mean, it's starting to melt a little bit, but still, it was just the way it was coming down. I just didn't like it at all, man. It's gonna linger around with the low temperatures and all that. You know, it's a pain in the butt. You know,
no fun. And New York gets cold.
Cold. That's an understatement, though, man. That's an understatement, though. I mean,
now, guys, you know what? This is giving me an idea, guys. Let's see. What are the average child support amounts by state? Let's see, guys. Guys, what do you think? Let's see. This is Forbes. Is this behind a paywall? Let's see. Let's see if I can find a graph. Okay, guys, what do you think has the lowest child support? And what do you think has the highest? Okay.
Okay, personally, I'm gonna say, well, it could be between the highest. It could be between New York and California because of the cost of living, though.
Yeah, facts.
I'm gonna lean towards New York in this one, though.
Okay,
the lowest, I think, is like I said, the lowest has got to be Mississippi because of the lowest cost of living there, and that's what I believe. So the highest is New York, the lowest is Mississippi. That's what I would say.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so it looks like yearly child support. This is, what is this? Percentage deviation per capita state personal income. So yearly child support dollars. Is that 11,388? This can't be right. Am I reading the chart wrong?
Probably made a mistake, though. It came in 11,000, though.
Yeah.
Not for Alabama.
Percentage deviation from AMDS calculated child support. Yearly child support dollars. Is this per person? Here, let me. Column shows that. Okay, the table below shows the child support that each state in DC suggests is paid. The first column shows based on a 51 guideline formula, child support ranges $9,252 in Alabama to $27,960 in Washington State. So this doesn't.
So it has to be per person then.
I think this is right. How is this right? I don't think that this reads right. Why can't you guys have a simple chart here, guys? Let's try and find a better chart here, because there has to be one where it's Child support percentages by state. Hold on, let me click on this. Child support percentages by state. Okay. Okay. Let's do top. Here we go. Look at this. Okay, so this is the amount that the average child support payer pays per person.
All right, that sounds good.
Hawaii, $16,656. Right?
Wow.
So let's do the math, right? 16,656. Let's divide that by 12. So that's $1,388 a month is the average child support payment. Clown world. Look at that.
Yeah, but over in Hawaii, it's kind of expensive over there too.
Yeah, it is. And then Maryland is next, 9,684. Connecticut, yeah, because it's expensive. North Carolina's up there. Clown world.
North Carolina, really?
That's crazy. And Nevada, Colorado, New Mexico, DC makes sense. Georgia's higher than Pennsylvania. Georgia, DC, Massachusetts is higher than California.
Really?
Look at that.
Wow. Okay.
And all those are all higher than New York. Let's
Yeah, I'm
look at the
surprised.
lowest.
Yeah.
So the lowest is Kentucky.
Kentucky.
Where's Mississippi on here? Mississippi
Right
is
there.
we have 4,000. So it is Mississippi, Louisiana, Oregon.
Really?
Huh. Oregon's that low. Washington State is that low. Huh. That's very interesting. Guys, speculate as to why you think like woke Washington and Oregon. Well, guys, there are a lot of single moms there. Maybe a lot of these chicks are all getting child support from like different dudes, or a lot of them are like grunts in the military that can't afford a lot of child support. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. What are you saying, Angel?
Well, no, I was thinking about more of economics though. So I was thinking that maybe, you know, since you mentioned that Washington and Oregon is because it's kind of more like Thunderdome. I think that probably depresses, you know, like the well, I don't know, because I figure it depresses the economy and the real estate over there though. So maybe the cost of living has probably just kind of dropped. I could be that. I don't know. That I'm just speculating. I don't know, but you know.
Okay, Lord says they have less kids, but that would mean that they would get more child support, right? Well, yeah, actually he is right, because if you have one kid, then you only get X amount. But then if you had 2 or 3 kids, you get more. That makes sense. That's right, guys. Well, Washington, Oregon, California, these women do just have one kid, right? Whereas, you know, chicks in other areas, they got 4 or 5 kids by 4 or 5 dudes and end up getting a lot more child support. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Johan says marriage is the exception. Okay, Lord. Johan, so what's up, guys? Good to see you, man. He says that they can't prove who the father is. Facts. Yep. Look at that, guys. It's true. Oh, you know what? I heard a crazy stat. Look at 70 children want children. Gonna turn out the fathers. Okay. Look at this. In Ghana, the statistics are astounding. We discovered that in 2022, 70% of the tests done on firstborn children came out with negative results, which means that 7 out of 10 times a firstborn child does not belong to the father. What? Look at that.
Wow.
7 out of 10 times, if you are a guy and you think that your firstborn kid is yours in Ghana,
you've been had, you've been took, you've been hoodwinked, bamboozled, led astray, run amok.
Clown world. Clown world. Did you guys just hear that? Did you hear that? Look at that. Guys, we got to do a whole freaking live stream on this. This has to be a clown world. Okay, look at this. Look at this. 70% DNA test for firstborn children with at least one party Ghana came back negative results. Dude, 304s are running rampant in Ghana, dude. Look at that. I got to do the customary. Right? And you know that when asked, even if you showed these 304s this in this country and you asked for a DNA test,
oh, forget it.
What are they going to say?
How dare you?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, they don't want that, boy. Forget it. If it's mandatory, they don't want that it's mandatory. That's what they're afraid of.
Exactly. Guys.
That's what it is.
70%. 7 out of 10.
Isn't that something?
Bastard children. Look at that. Also, 2 out of every 5 men that we tested had at least one negative result and were victims of paternity fraud. So that's after the fact when they had already signed the birth certificate and everything. Okay, so what leads to these shocking statistics? Generally, the statistics sample space will not be reflective, but people who walk in here may already suspect that there's a problem. And the test helps to provide peace of mind. Things are happening. And some engage our services because the stories happen more and more. Look at that. Okay, we encounter different peculiar cases. We have cases where all 3 children of a wife do not belong to the husband. Look at that. Homeboy gets 3 envelopes. Okay? He opens envelope number 1.
You've been had. You've been took. You've been hoodwinked. Bamboozled. Led astray. Run amok.
Right? And then he's like, man, that sucks. At least this next one is mine. Opens up the envelope.
You've been had. You've been took. You've been hoodwinked.
Opens up envelope number 3.
You've been had. You've been took. You've been hoodwinked.
Look at that, guys. Look at this. Man. Guys, can you think of anything worse that a woman can do to a guy than paternity fraud? Seriously. Yes, women can do false accusations and ruin a guy's life, but I think that this is worse. For you to have formed that bond with a child and start raising that child as your own and loving that child and all this, and then to just find out it isn't yours. I cannot think of a worse thing that a woman can do to a man, you know? Anyways, guys, let's get into this. This is from Court Archives. And guys, I can tell you from the jump, I only watched like a little bit of this, but this guy in the middle, come on, dude. Beta! And you'll see why, okay?
If I need something from the mother, I'll call her and I'm sure she would help me out. She's doing what she can with her 4 other kids.
Okay, what do you disagree with, ma'am?
Whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. The parties have reached a partial agreement on this change of status and motion for further orders. I'll read those portions into the record. First, if we can we ask that you take judicial notice of Ashley Santiago's presence in the courtroom.
So noted.
Parties agree that.
What's with this guy's hairline? He's Look at that.
There's no family violence or a request for a non-disclosure. Parties agree that joint management.
Yeah, David, I agree. This should be automatic DNA testing.
Conservatorship with the custodial parent father should be ordered, and a geographic restriction to Dallas or Tarrant counties. The non-custodial mother to provide health insurance and dental insurance through her employer at a cost of $53 per month. Parties stipulate that non-custodial parent mother has 4 other children under the age of 18. The parties stipulate that.
Hear that? Hear that, guys? 4 other children under the age of 18.
Earns $18.50 per hour, working 40 hours per week.
We guys all know that judge on the upper left is a simp, right? You You guys remember him?
that are gross income
Oh yeah.
206, net 2741. Proposed child support amount should be $366 per month, beginning February 1st, 2024. That there should be a child support judgment as $0 as of January 30th, 2024. The custodial parent is releasing $6,453 with 83 cents. The possession credit.
I'm sorry, Ms. Correa, can you repeat the number?
Yes, $6,453.83. And father to have an obligation of $0 beginning February 1st, 2024. Court cost as billed to the non-custodial parent. That is the extent of the agreements. The contested issue, it appears, is it does come to child support. I know that I announced a proposed child support amount. So I will call the father and see what he's in agreement to. And sir, can you state the name of the child or children in this case?
Aubrey Morrison.
Okay. And what is Aubrey's age?
She's 13.
Okay. And who does she live with?
She lives with me
And how long has she been living with you?
since December 28, 2022. So a year and 1 month.
Okay. And did you hear the agreed portions that I read into the record?
Yes.
Are those your agreements?
Yes.
Okay. So you are in agreement that child support should be ordered. That child support should be ordered.
You kind of broke up. Did you say should or shouldn't?
Should.
No. I wanted no child support.
There it is.
Okay.
There it is.
Beta!
Dude, you have the kid with you.
Yeah.
You need help. What are you talking about?
Beta!
Right there, dude. What are you doing?
And can you tell the court why?
I just feel like if I need something from the mother, you know, I'll call her and I'm sure she would help me out.
No, if you won't.
Do you have anything additional that you would like to offer to the court?
I mean, you know, she's doing what she could. You know, she's doing what she can with her 4 other kids.
4 other
So
kids.
you know, and I didn't want to. You know, I don't want no problems. And she's a good mom. So
Guys.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
If she's not paying no child support, she's not a good mom, right? That's what they say about men. Jessica, hey, what's up, man?
I think we have a good bond. You know. So,
I pass this witness. I call the mother. Ma'am, can you state your name for the record?
Ashley Santiago.
And ma'am, did you hear the agreed portions I read into the record?
Yes, ma'am.
Dang, and she's got a newborn right there. This is
Yep.
her.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that, man.
Are those still your agreements?
No, ma'am.
Okay, what do you disagree with, ma'am?
The child support, that's the only thing.
We'll get to that in a second. I know I announced that as a
Okay,
proposed.
okay.
Besides,
Gotcha.
no, that was my mistake. Besides that child support issue, do you agree with the other portions?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and so I hear you that you don't agree with the child support that the state
Of
is
course she doesn't,
proposing.
right, guys?
What are your reasons, Your Honor?
Because she's a broke 304.
We have a really good co-parenting relationship. So, as father stated, it's absolutely no issue at all with providing Aubrey, with anything that she may need, whether it is over there at his house, even at my house as well. I will continue to keep the medical insurance and dental vision, everything like that, and just, do my part the same way as if she was still living with me. So nothing would change.
Thank you, ma'am. I pass this witness.
Except she's not living with you.
All right, and Ms. Correa, we're doing a standard visitation. I think that was one thing I didn't hear from you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. The parts who agreed to accept for child support, those are all fine with me. Will be made to the order of the court. There is no state law that says that a mother can't pay child support. And I have to follow the law. It orders that people that do not have possession of the child should pay child support.
There you go.
And so Ms. Santiago is being ordered to pay some child support of $366 a month.
There it is.
Doesn't mean that you're a
Wow.
bad parent or a good parent. It just means you have a financial obligation to support all your children. And so you'll have to pay those payments through the child support office
Oops.
for them to count. The Attorney General's office will draft an order, make those changes. Please give them a couple weeks, Mr. Morrison, for them to change the.
Guys, just like the DV laws, right? Where the women were like, "Oh, there's all these men that are doing all this bad thing to women and hitting us with the right." So they wanted there to be protocol and state laws that'll take over and do these charges and stuff automatically. They pushed for this. They pushed for the judges to say, "I don't care what you say. Whoever doesn't have the baby," he said, "it is a baby, a prop." Exactly. Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, but they pushed to say the state needs to get child support. Well, guess what? Actually, Santiago, the shoe's on the wrong foot now. The shoe's on the other foot. Look how sour she is, guys. Bitter beer face. Look at that.
Arrears that
Yep.
they say you owe, they'll need some time to process that.
Ooh, so you're gonna have to pay arrears too. Oh no! Look at that, and guys. The only reason why, just like you, okay, Lord says, the only reason why Judge Simpy McSimpson here, is doing this is because he has to, and he wants that money.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Of course.
Yeah.
And then we'll get everything shifted over. All right, the Attorney General's office will email you both a copy of the order. Y'all are done with court. You can press leave on the Zoom to exit out. Thank you.
Get it? If you're the mom, they do everything for you, but the dad, they don't.
You guys remember this knucklehead?
Oh,
Death
yeah.
Proof. What's up, man? Okay, let's see, guys. So we have another one here. Give me a minute. Now, where is it? Here it is.
Her boyfriend has the car and he
Okay. So this is the one where the mom goes to jail.
Mm.
And guys, I forget what it was. There was some company or some school where for Black History Month, in the cafeteria, they were selling chicken waffles and watermelon. And they had to issue an apology.
Wow.
Guys, in my 43 years of being Black, there are just things that are so ridiculously racist. You just have to laugh. You know what I'm saying? And didn't IKEA do that once? I think. Yeah, it was like Black History Month. So like, here, we're gonna put fried chicken on the menu. Oh, look at that.
he is the one
Old school glass. What's up, man? Oh, Razor Gamer. Sack Riders coming up soon. Trust me.
working, so she has no access to a car while he is at work, which also prevents her from finding work.
Basically, she paid $5 back in December of 2023, and prior to that, she hadn't paid in over 2 years.
Look at that.
Yeah, well, my life ain't that easy either. I don't have it easy like everybody.
Ms. Snyder, in this matter, you're before the court charged with civil contempt of court due to your failure to pay child support and or related expenses. Upon a first conviction, you could be ordered to serve up to 45 days in jail. If it's a second or subsequent offense, up to 90 days in jail. Do you understand the charges?
Yeah.
Court has appointed Ms. Perkins to represent you in this matter. Have you had sufficient opportunity to speak to Ms. Perkins in preparation for this hearing?
Yes.
Your Honor, in the matter of Lopez versus Snyder, docket 2020-2216 DS, The respondent, Natasha Snyder, is here before the court for a bench warrant hearing. Ms. Snyder is currently ordered to pay $228 per month for current support, $50 towards arrears, $3.50 for service and processing fees, for a total monthly obligation of $281.50. Last payment received on this docket was on December 22nd, 2023, in the amount of $5.
$5. Now, guys, you can collect cans. You can get a paper route. You can drive Uber like 4 days a month and make $300. You know what I'm saying?
And the last payment prior to that was on September 22nd, 2021,
Look at that.
in the amount of $53.22 through unemployment. Ms. Snyder posted a $400 bond on November 23rd, 2023.
So she's already been to jail. Look at that.
And she received a bench warrant hearing because she failed to appear for an adjourned show cause hearing. Because she failed to appear for an adjourned show cause compliance hearing before Judge Kirkham on September 27, 2023. This is her first show cause, second bench warrant, and measured compliance over the last 6 months. Ms. Snyder should have paid $1,689. She paid $5, leaving her a shortfall of $1,684. The shortfall at the time of her last hearing was $1,689, for a total shortfall of $3,373. Total arrears on this docket are $2,746.82 through January 31st, 2024. And Ms. Snyder also was in Calhoun County Jail from November 18th until November 23rd, so that would give her credit for 6 days.
Ms. Perkins, do you contest or dispute any statements made by Ms. Mouton?
No,
You have any questions for Ms. Mouton?
no questions.
Okay.
Look at
Any
that.
proofs, Ms. Perkins?
Your Honor, my client is ordered to pay $281.50 per month, which is quite high since she does not have a job.
Oh, please.
Right now, she has a
Please, there it is. Come on, guys. Look at that. She has to. She can't afford because she doesn't have a job. Look at that, guys.
Yeah, but at one point she was able to post bond for 400 and whatever something dollars though. So she was able to get the money somehow.
But it doesn't matter because if she was a guy, they wouldn't even try and argue that. They're saying, look, it doesn't matter. You better donate plasma.
So donate something.
They need to get this money. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Please. Yeah. Give me let's see here. Okay.
friend that is supporting her, and with his job, they're struggling to make ends meet. In the past, when she's had some money, she has given it directly to the kids, and we have discussed that she cannot do that because child support does not know that money is going directly to the kids, so she knows not to do that in the future. However, she was doing that whenever she could. She is having troubles finding a job because she's had times when she was kicked out of homes and her ID was lost, and she had to try to find the money to get another ID so she can get another job. Can't get a job without an ID. And she also has problems because her boyfriend has the car and he is the one working, so she has no access to a car while he is at work, which also prevents her from finding work. She wants to get the child support modified to a lesser amount.
Of course she does. Guys, look at that lawyer at the bottom left. You know what I mean? We now come Look at that chick right there, dude.
I love that. I love that. Oh man!
Look at that.
Look at that. She is no longer not working right now, so that it'd be more manageable. And what we're asking for is an adjournment so that she can have that time to do that modification, to get it down to something that's a little bit more manageable for her and her boyfriend to be able to pay. He is supporting her right now, and give her that time to try to get her license squared away so that she can try to find a job. and she now knows not to give any money directly to the other party in this matter. So we're asking for that time for her to be able to accomplish these things.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Snyder, in this matter, your attorney has stated that you do not have a job. What have you done in the last year to acquire employment?
Last year, really, I was just like, I ended up going to jail the end of 22, and then I got out last year, which would have been January 23. And I was like,
Let's stick. My question was, and what have you done in the last year? And you've stated that you got out of jail in January of 2022.
Yeah. And what I was saying was that I've been homeless for half of the past year. Struggling. I mean, I don't have no identification. I mean, it's been like hard. So.
Okay. Well, again, my question was, what have you done in the last year? So I guess from your answer, you've not done anything in the last year to acquire employment. Is that correct?
I guess you can put it like that. Besides seeking employment that I can't get, yeah.
What's your education background, ma'am?
I dropped out in 9th grade.
Oh, of course she did. And how many kids does this knucklehead have? Look at that. Look at that, man. Look at that.
Have you looked at, again, completing your GED?
Of course not.
No.
Okay. Why have you not looked into doing that? How long have you been out of school?
It's been a while. Last time I was taking classes for my GED was when I was living in Ohio. And I was pregnant, walking in classes and stuff, and then I never finished the class.
Of course you didn't.
Have you done anything else to prepare yourself for employment, as far as go to any programs that provide you with some educational assistance or any sort of occupational assistance or anything that might help you to acquire employment? Have you done that?
Besides recently ordering another ID. I mean, there's nothing I can't get a job without that right now. There's like no question. Nobody's gonna hire me without ID. That's what's stopping me. That's my main thing right now.
Okay, when did you lose your ID?
How do you lose your ID?
I haven't had ID in a long time. I ordered it 3 times last year.
Please.
Within the end of last
question
year.
was,
this chick is lying.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
Come on, Jameson. What's up, man? Trevor, how's it going?
It's not what you ordered or anything. When was the last time? When did you lose your ID?
Over a year ago.
How do you not have an ID for a year?
Last year, what have you done to acquire that?
Nothing.
I paid for it several times.
Okay, if you paid for it, then why didn't you get it?
Yep.
Because the address that it got delivered to, one of them, the first time I ordered it, I was living with someone, and I ended up moving out of her house, and she got my ID, and she threw it away. She never gave it to me. So then I ordered it 2 more times, and I never received it. So that's something I have to take up with the
Excuses, guys.
For them to help me somehow find out where my IDs are going.
Okay. When was the last time you had full-time employment?
And a couple years ago.
And what was that full-time employment in? What field?
Factory. I've always done factory work and hair. I do hair.
Oh.
I haven't done any of that in so long.
Of course she does hair, right, guys? Of course she does. Of course she does.
And maybe you don't know, or maybe you do know that out in Fort Custer, in the factories out there, they have a labor shortage right now, and they're hiring every day.
What's it called?
She's like, you mean you actually expect me to go out and get a real job?
How dare you?
Out in the Fort Custer Industrial Park, all the companies that are out there have labor shortages, and they are hiring people every day. Have you looked into employment with those companies?
Okay, I didn't know
There's
that.
Denso, Hilux, Musashi, a number of other companies as well.
Yes, that's where my boyfriend works, Musashi.
Okay. Have you looked into getting employment with that company where so you could, you could drive to work together? You said you had some issue with the car.
Yeah, he has the car, but I mean, yeah, that's what I'm look into. So I never put the application in or anything because I just figured like if I didn't have the ID, it wasn't gonna do anything. But I mean, I can put applications in and stuff. I mean, I'm trying to get all this figured out. Situated. So, I'm trying to let it run.
Doesn't appear that you're doing such a good job of figuring it out.
Facts, dude. Look at that.
No.
And this chick has a boyfriend. Okay? And we all know this about the boyfriend. Beta!
Yep.
Yeah, well, my life ain't that easy either. I don't have it easy like everybody.
Look at that. That's her excuse.
Don't have it easy.
Anything else that you'd like to tell me?
I'm gonna be trying to accomplish getting the ID thing figured out. I want to go. Have a chance to go down and get this modification going, and possibly seek employment.
Okay.
Your Honor.
Anything else, Miss Perkins?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, in this case, the court's heard the testimony of Ms. Snyder and as well as Ms. Mouton in this particular matter that the respondent has a substantial arrearage of approximately $3,000 that she has basically she paid $5 back in December of 2023. And prior to that, she hadn't paid in over 2 years in this particular matter. Notwithstanding that it's a pretty reasonable, pretty minimal support obligation of $281.50 per month that she has testified as to some difficulty she's had as far as housing, her education background, but quite frankly, when the court hears the testimony, she's not done anything to improve that. She has stated that she's not put in applications. She stated now that's maybe something that she should do, and maybe look at even the same place that her boyfriend is working so they wouldn't have the problem with the car. She hasn't done that, however. She has stated as to the problem with her ID, and she's apparently ordered that a number of times, but hasn't gotten it. But that is something that she needs to get resolved so she can work, but she doesn't appear that she's been too diligent on getting that accomplished.
That's putting it lightly.
Either. It's been years since she had full-time employment. She obviously was able to handle factory employment. In this particular area, there is a substantial demand for labor in the factory field at any number of places, and she has not taken advantage of that. Courts find that she has failed to exercise due diligence, failed or refused to comply with the orders in this particular matter, notwithstanding the fact that she was well aware of those particular orders and just simply has not complied. So the court will find her to be in contempt of court. Anything before sentencing, Ms. Perkins?
No, Your Honor.
Well, she has not had priors. The court could sentence her up to 45 days in jail. The court is not going to sentence her to that substantial amount being a first time.
Of course not. Of course not. Guys, put a 1 in the chat if you agree with me when I say that if that was a man, that they would have given her the full 45 days.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean?
I agree.
Come on, man. Come on, man. All these rods.
I am woman, hear me roar, and numbers too big to ignore.
Right? The only reason why they can be quote unquote independent is because of government intervention. Housing, getting let off on child support payments, all this crap. Clown world. Look at that. Look at that.
What we'll do is sentence her to 21 days in
21
jail with
days.
credit for 6 days served. The court would order that she pay a purge amount of $500. That way she can purge herself of contempt. The court will order that she has until 4:00 p.m. on February 16, 2024. Ma'am, if you do not pay the purge amount by that time, you are to report to the sheriff's department and to serve the balance of your sentence. That will be the order of the court.
Your Honor,
Yes,
can we forfeit the $400 bond that she
yes,
posted?
yes, we can forfeit the bond. I made note of that and I forgot to mention that.
Thank you.
Okay,
Look at that,
So,
guys.
ma'am, you're gonna have to pay the $500 by that date or by the 16th of February, or show up to the jail. If you don't, then the sheriff at that point will come looking for you and it may result in more jail time. You
Look at
understand
that.
that?
And if you don't show up, we'll find you. And yeah, Michael Norman, you are correct. She got off early. This was a guy. He would have got the full 45 days. Guys, I did drop the link for anyone who wants to come on up. So don't be shy, right? Look at that, guys.
Okay. Thank you. Court will end this matter at 11:18 a.m. You're free to go. Have a good day.
In 3 years since the last order, fleet income at 16,600.
There's Mr. Sweetness again. Look at this guy. All right, here we go, guys. So, just like Razor Gamer said, Gamer said, there goes Mr. Sackrider.
Oh, him. Oh, okay.
Look at this guy.
Must be sitting on something.
Think that those glasses are okay? Like these are the glasses that these 304s wear. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Have you noticed that when you watch these stupid podcasts now, all these 304s wear these glasses and trying to look smart? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, look at this.
Compliance was measured over 12 months.
All right, guys. So this knucklehead is saying that she's sick and can't pay child support because of her medical prognosis, right? Here's the thing, guys. First of all, you notice she's driving while in court with no seatbelt on. Look at that.
During that time, she made one payment of $20.
Where did you find the money to make that payment?
I want to see my kids. I don't even know where they're at. I have no way of contacting them. I can't see.
Now, here's the thing. He's huddled so close to the computer because he's using the laptop speakers. Dude, get some headphones. You know what I'm saying? Like, or else you wouldn't be so close to a screen like this, Sackrider. Man, what are you doing?
See them. Judge Kirkham had awarded me custody in Calhoun County when I started the divorce from him. I went down there twice to get my kids. Both times they had the cops called on me, saying that I was attempting to kidnap my own freaking kid.
Ms. Bailey, in this matter, you're before the court charged with civil contempt of court due to your failure to pay child support and or related expenses. Upon first conviction, you could be ordered to serve up to 45 days in jail. If it's a second or subsequent offense, up to 90 days in jail.
What is with Sackrider? He's always fidgeting. You know what I'm saying? He looks like he's got to take a dump, right? Who knows, guys? Maybe Taco Bell's like right down the way from him. And he goes there for lunch. And this is like right around 2:30 that Taco Bell's have that hour and a half to get through his system.
Oh, wow.
You know?
Yeah. You understand the charges?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry. I'm headed home.
Okay.
That's Tracy Bailey versus Rebecca Bailey.
She's
In
driving.
this matter, Rebecca Bailey is ordered to pay $320.16.
Guys, how? Look, you're not supposed to be on the phone. And the judge is not saying anything. None of these people are saying anything.
But they're not even paying attention to her. That's why they're just listening.
That is a result of an order confirming registration out of Indiana from May 31st of 2019. In this matter, compliance was measured over 12 months at that amount. During that time, she made one payment of $20. That payment was made on September 26th of 2023 on her own. It left her short
Just look how many facial tics that Zack Ryder has too. You know what I'm saying? Like he's like a cartoon character at this point. Yo, he looks like a Mogwai. You know?
Wow. No, you know who he reminds me of?
Don't feed Zack Ryder after midnight, dude.
Oh man.
What were you saying, Angel?
No, there was this cartoon with I forgot what it was, an old cartoon. His name was Poindexter. I don't know if you ever heard of it. It was like a Poindexter.
Yeah,
and then he
yeah.
had like a friend who was a dog. I forgot what the name was though, but his name was Poindexter, and he had some intelligent dog though. He also wore glasses also. I forgot what the name of the cartoon. What was it? Old cartoon.
Yeah. Poindexter and Peabody.
Yes,
yes,
that's the one.
That's right. Hold
That's
on.
the one.
Here it is. You remember this?
Yeah, that's it.
Look at
That's
that. Look at that. Yeah,
Look at that.
that's
The ball point-
right.
Zack Ryder looks like more like Poindexter though.
Yeah, he does.
He does. Really close to him.
That's right. Look at the new one. He looks even more like the newer.
Yeah, he could be. Yeah, the newer version. Yeah, it could be.
Look at that, guys.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I didn't even know they had a newer version.
Poindexter and Peabody. I forgot all about these.
I remember that. I used to watch that cartoon. I remember that.
Yeah. Man, oh man, that's taking me back, man. All these old school like Hanna-Barbera cartoons and stuff, you know. You remember Space Ghost? Remember?
Oh, I like Space Ghost. Ooh, cool. Are you kidding me?
Have you ever watched guys? Now I'm on a tangent, but you guys let me know if you've seen Space Ghost, okay?
Yeah, he was cool.
The OG Space Ghost, right? And now he's a DC character, which is pretty cool. Look at that. Cool, man. But have you seen Space Ghost Coast to Coast? Angel, have you seen Space Ghost Coast to Coast?
I don't remember that. So yeah, I remember that. I think so,
they made it into like a late night talk show with Space Ghost.
Oh yeah. I remember that. Yeah. He act like the host. I remember that. Yeah.
It was so good, man. It was so
that was
good.
cool.
This is one of the most clever shows I've ever seen. And they actually had people like, celebrities come on there and everything. It was funny. And then you remember Birdman.
Yeah. Remember him? Yeah. And then he had a psychic called Bird Boy.
yeah, Birdman. You remember?
I remember all those cartoons. They used to have like the Herculoids.
Yeah.
And they used to have all those. I remember I used to watch them all. I said, wow, it was so cool. It was so cool. All these old cartoons. I remember that though.
Yeah, Johnny Quest, man.
Yes.
Johnny Quest. Guys, Johnny Quest was crazy because it was one of the cartoons where people got killed. You remember G.I. Joe? They'd always shoot lasers out of M16s, and the guys would always eject. Not the Johnny Quest back in the day. Guys would, and they'd fall down. Like, oh snap! This guy died. So look at that.
That's right.
Yeah.
And the way they used to make the way they used to make the cartoons though, it was kind of like a comic book like.
Yeah. It was. Cause remember, Johnny Quest was actually for adults. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like it wasn't like a kids show. So
right.
That's
this.
Right. What's the one? You remember Thundar?
Oh my God, Thunder the Barbarian! Yeah,
look at that, Thunder the Barbarian.
Yes. Every Saturday morning, I always look forward to seeing that. Yes, Thundar. Yeah, with Ukla and Princess Ariel.
Yep.
Oh yeah, man. Oh man, that was one of my favorites. I like that.
You guys, okay. So we're gonna take this Axie 2 red pill here, okay? Because guys, He-Man was amazing back in the day. He-Man was awesome. Guys, do not watch the Masters of the Universe show on Netflix. Do not do it, dude. Do not, guys. Guys, if you think that show is actually for guys and is about He-Man,
you've been had. You've been took. You've been hoodwinked, bamboozled, led astray, run on muck.
Guys, this show, so it's about He-Man for like the first half of the first episode, and then He-Man gets killed, and then Teela is the main character. It's all about how she's some strong, independent, lesbian-haired looking.
I am woman, hear me roar, in numbers too big to ignore.
Clown world.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. It's getting out of hand with this, though.
And even look at on that Netflix He-Man. Look at her hair. She's got the woke.
Oh yeah, you could tell right there.
Woke haircut.
Yeah.
Look at that, and of course, that's her quote unquote friend.
Oh, friend. Yeah, I figured that.
Lesbian.
You know what I mean?
Mhm.
Guys. And what's funny is they will say this show is not for guys. So this is how you used to look, right?
Yeah, she looked better back then.
And then this is how she looks now.
Yeah, well, of course.
You guys, see, look, I watched Masters of the Universe Revelation because it made the dude bros cry. All these knuckleheaded wokey wokes. Guys, they told us that this is not for us. So this is one of the lowest rated TV Netflix shows ever. And it's funny because they tell us that the show's not for us. So we don't watch it. And then they go, oh, you men are mad. We aren't mad. Or guys who are mad, you called this He-Man and it's not even about He-Man. Just call the show Teela and and her lesbian adventures. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Clown World, all this subverting expectations, BS. Why? Just make a new IP, but don't ruin it. You know what I mean? So yeah, even guys, Xena was a good show though, right? It was a good show, man. Look how fine.
My brother loved that show though, boy.
Man, and she's still fine to this day. And this chick right here, that played Callisto. Hello, nurse. You know what I'm saying? This look at this show, man. They don't make shows like this anymore, dude. Straight up. This is such a good show, man. It really was. And now everything is just trash. And even Xena had her moments where she would get her butt kicked. Like she was trying to fight a couple of godlike like dudes, or she was trying to take down Julius Caesar. You know what I'm saying? It didn't work. But Lucy Lawless. Let's do 2023. Look at that, dude. She still got it, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, she looks good. Yeah, she does. She looks good.
Look at that. 2023. Remember, she was Ron's girlfriend on Parks and Rec. You know?
Oh.
Still got it. Look at that. That's her. So, anyways, I digress. Back to Knucklehead McGee over here.
$1,821.92 for those 12 months of compliance. There is still a $300 bond that Ms. Daly posted on August 7th of 2023 that front of the court's requesting be forfeited and applied. Current arrears in this matter is $13,125.
$13,000?
Wow. 13.
And she's still walking these streets? Guys, I swear to God, dude, I try to not swear. But this is such bullshit, dude. We know that if this was a guy, they would have buried him. Guys, the only movie that bombed harder than the Marvels is Madam Web. Yikes, dude. They said that movie is absolute trash.
21 cents through September. There is report that she receives public assistance and she does have pending Social Security claims, no VA or unemployment benefits. There are no previous jail sentences in this matter.
Look.
And at the last...
Look. She's $13,000 in the hole, and she's never been to jail. She's never been sentenced to jail. There it is.
Hearing, she was ordered to submit new medical documentation. She did submit a new letter dated September 6th of 2023 that came from Greater Michigan Spine and Neurological Institute. However, it's insufficient medical documentation. It only submits the The above referenced patient is under my care for a neurological issue. Surgery services are being offered to that patient. This documentation doesn't state her diagnosis, prognosis, or her abilities to work at this time.
Oops.
Mr. Sackrider, do you contest or just?
Mr. Sackrider. Yo, change your name, bro. Change your name. And he's married, dude. I wonder if his wife took his name. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Look at that. See, Millie, dude, you have to connect your microphone and your headphones, dude. So I can't add you till you do that.
Dispute any of the statements made by Ms. Platty.
Hold on. Let me see. Guys, hold on. Now you got me. There's one more cartoon. Hold on. There was Space Ghost.
Yeah, the Herculoids.
Yeah, the Hercules. Guys, hold on. There was one more. So we're talking about old school cartoons. Dude, look at Lucy Lawless, man. Hello, nurse. You know what I mean, dude? Look at that. Hold on, guys. I'm sorry. I'm just my freaking ADHD is taking out. Thundercats.
Oh, okay.
Remember that?
Yeah, I remember that. Yeah.
Thundercats. Yeah.
The Lionel. Yeah.
Yeah.
Chitara and
You guys
Panthro and all
remember
that.
Silverhawks? It was by the same people.
Silverhawks.
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah.
And
then there was and then by the same studio, Tiger Sharks. Now this Silverhawks was cool, but Tiger Sharks was trash. I mean, they're underwater. Really? See, Millie, what's up, man? Uh-oh, are you muted?
Nah, you hear me?
Oh yeah. Hey man, so if you just joined, so we just went over 2 cases of 2 chicks not paying any child support at all. And now this chick is $13,000 in arrears. Has never been to jail. Obviously, she has her driver's license because she's driving while she's on the phone with no seatbelt on.
Have you ever seen that video of the dude who called in to his court hearing, driving a car, and the court hearing was to get his license unsuspended?
I saw that, dude. Yeah.
He's like, I was just moving the car. I was parking it for somebody.
My favorite one, it was one of the very first courtroom madnesses I did, is when the lady, there was something going on with like child support or some type of non-payment. No. She got caught. She failed the drug test for her probation. And then they're like, all right, court adjourned. And she lights up a doobie. Like the Zoom hasn't shut down yet. And she's like, man, F that bitch. That judge is a bitch, as she's smoking weed on camera in front of the judge.
Well, have you seen that one, that chick, where she's talking back to the judge and he gets her like, it went from like having like maybe a week sentence to like 6 months in jail for contempt because she just kept talking back to him and shit, like would walk away when he was talking and shit.
That was the one where she was like trying to speak goofy Spanish to the judge who was Hispanic, right?
I think so. She was in jail at the time. She was trying to get bond. And she's like, man, fuck you. No, walks away.
Hey, dude, no F-bombs, please. We'll take the
forgot.
stream down. Hey, man, so wait, because you guys remember C. Millie called in and he has custody of his 2 daughters. Is your ex paying you child support?
Supposed to.
See, guys, there it is. There it is.
She is
right there.
5,000 behind.
Jesus.
Wow.
Yeah, 5,000 behind. So she just had a kid with her new husband, and her new husband has said that she doesn't have to go back to work. So she lives off of her disability from the Navy and his paycheck, which is combined 60,000 together between them.
Look at that. And guys, obviously her new husband.
Beta!
Beta!
You know what I mean? Come
Oh,
on, dude.
Oh, but I don't think I've told you the best part. So because it goes back and forth. So she was working until she had her kid, whatever, in like May or April. Over the summer she had them for the summer break. And I was like, hey, this is what you owe for the month, like like you're still behind. And she was like, I can't believe you're gonna make me pay child support when you don't even have them during the summer. Well,
They're crazy.
Child
Doesn't
support's
matter.
not allocated by when you have them. It's your fiscal year contribution.
Facts.
And yeah, and
telling you, all these chicks, they'll end up. They asked for this. I told you guys, just like DV laws, where they were like, "There's all these evil men and all this other stuff. And we need the cops to do something, right? We want a protocol put in place." They said the same thing about child support, saying we don't care what that person, what the non-custodial person does. They need to pay that child support until the shoe is on the other foot, and then they say,
How dare you?
You know what I mean? Absolutely insane. And yes, this lawyer's last name is Sackrider. Come on, man. Come on.
Oh yeah, and she
No, Your Honor.
forgets.
Have any questions
Oh,
for-
my bad. Not so because she had them for a time in 2020, or actually when they first moved out there in 2019. I was like, hey, so I was not going to pay child support. I was like, because she would have been responsible for all transportation costs, and she's like, no, I don't want to do that. And then she's like, a year later, as like I'm getting ready to get them again, she was like, well, it's not fair that I'm not going to make you pay for it. I was like, okay. And then a year later, she was like, so we're going to have to talk with the child support thing. Like, I know you need to help contribute to them. And I said, okay, well, what about like when I have them for the summer? Do you want me to pay you? No judge is ever going to sign off on that you don't have to pay during the summer. She just forgets that conversation happened.
Oh, there it is. Right there, guys. Right there. Clown world.
For Ms. Bladdock?
Does she qualify for the LEAP program?
Yes, I believe she does.
What is the LEAP program?
All right, thank you. No further questions. All right, Ms. Bailey, can you hear me?
Yes.
You heard the testimony of Ms. Bladdock. Was there anything that you disagreed with?
Well, I know that she didn't read the rest of the letter where it says if you guys have any questions to give them a call.
All right, so yeah, she testified that you did submit medical documentation, but that it was insufficient. What is your medical condition?
I have 3 fractured vertebrae. I have 4 screws in my L5 and S1. I have to have a hip replacement in my right hip due to a tear in my labrum. I have to have.
What, has she been wrestling bears or something, or what? Like, what the fuck? What is she talking about? You know what I'm saying? Really?
Pins put in.
Wait. Hold on. Where is it, guys? Hold on.
Oh, I need 2 arms. I got fake knees and a rod on my back and 2 torn rotator cuffs.
My SI joints, because they are bone on bone and rubbing together, which causes me a lot of extra pain that I really can't handle. I have gone through multiple medical issues trying to deal with this, but unfortunately, nothing has worked.
Please.
And right now, we are waiting on Allstate to make payment to Dr. Spencer's office so I can go ahead and get my surgery for my SI joints done within this year.
All right, are these the injuries the result of a car accident?
Yes.
Okay, guys. So the LEAP program is Learn, Earn, and Provide program, right? And it's collaboration between Michigan Health, Human Services, and Adult Children's Services. Basically, it's saying you can get career coaching, job leads, and career planning support services. So you can get your ESL or your on-the-job training. They incentivize you to do this because they might reinstate your license and review your child support order to see if it can be lowered or lift bench warrants and reconsider other enforcement actions that are in effect. So if you enter into this program, then it shows that you're trying to do something, I guess, and they might actually give you your license back and stuff. So I don't know. I don't know how effective it is, so.
Excellent.
The car accident was in May of 2019.
So
All right,
wait. This is what, 2020, this is 2023. So it was 2019. She hasn't paid anything since. Come on, man.
So, is that the dad or is that a lawyer in the top right?
A sack rider?
Yeah.
He's a lawyer, dude.
Well, where's the dad at is what I'm trying to figure out.
I don't know. He's not in court. I don't think so.
Oh, so this was like a court brought thing. I didn't know if he had filed something against her. Okay.
I think he did. No, well, no. I'm not sure. I just know that yeah, he probably did. Because she's 13 grand in the hole at this point. So
yeah,
I'll
be filing next week.
Look at this. Let me guess. She got an accident while on a Zoom call and not wearing a seatbelt. Facts. Dude, she's driving. This is illegal.
You from working?
Yes.
No, I think she's in the passenger seat.
Have you received any
think about it.
compensation for the vehicle accident?
Not at the moment.
All right. Have you applied for any wage loss benefits or any other type of benefits?
Yes, we're actually in the middle of a lawsuit.
All right. Do you have an attorney?
Guys. Everyone in the chat, right? Please try and guess the number of people that we've seen in these court cases that have some kind of lawsuit going on. At least, 10, 11 at this point, right? Come on.
That lawsuit?
I do.
She testified that your child support obligation is out of Indiana from 2019. Were you aware of a child support obligation?
I was aware.
When did you become aware that it was transferred to Calhoun County, Michigan?
About 6-7 months after.
All right. How did you receive notice?
The mail.
It says here your last payment was $20 on September 26th of 2023. Is that correct?
Yes.
Where did you find the money to make that payment?
I have a small job that I work once a week. I just recently got it, and I get paid $80.
Hold
So
on,
I
AJ.
put
Hold
the
on.
$20 I had left after making sure that I was okay with my medications for the week.
Here we go.
I went down and I put it on child support. But I just
All right,
AJ, hold on.
doing the best I can.
Yeah, what's up, dude?
My ex did the same thing. I'm not lying. She babysat somebody's kids and got $30, and she sent it to me. This is like
that won't even cover a freaking Big Mac meal nowadays.
she's like, she sends like $200 a month here and there, and I'm like, one, you're getting further and further behind, but $200 a month is between two kids. What does that break down to? $66 a week. That's not even a week's worth of groceries.
Seriously, dude. That can barely buy 2 Happy Meals nowadays. You know what I mean?
But she said she's at $20, and then I was like, yeah, I got 30. So
With what I can.
Where do you work?
For Richardson Construction.
What do you do there?
Basically, I just clean up the trailers, sweep them, make sure that all the tools are in the right place.
All right, you said you earned $80. What time frame is that earned?
Usually it's like 9 to 12
You earned $80 per day or per week?
Moron.
per week.
All right.
What? Wait a minute. So she works 9 to 12 and they pay her $80 a week. How does that make sense?
it's probably 1 day a week.
Look at that, dude. Look at that. And then
You
look
earned
at the
$80
attitude.
per week. How long have you been employed there?
Since last week.
Dude, isn't it? Look at how much Sack Rider fidgets, dude.
He's pissed.
And also,
he's so
dude,
angry.
Dude, yeah, he just seems like he's just had it. Maybe he caught his wife cheating on him. Guys, see if he still has his wedding ring on his hand.
No, it's on there. He just touched his glasses.
Okay.
Job that would be lenient with my medical conditions, and this was the only one that I could find.
Prior to obtaining the job last week, how are you supporting yourself financially?
My boyfriend and my mom and my brother were all helping me.
Have you applied for Social Security disability?
Yes, I have.
What's the status of that?
Right now, they keep denying me due to insufficient medical reasoning. Now, my attorney is going to be helping me go back through that again. So hopefully this time I can actually get it without having to deal with all the rejection notices.
Ms. Platic testified that you would be eligible for a LEAP program or other type of employment help. Would you be willing to participate in that?
I'm not sure what the LEAP program is.
It helps you get a job.
Would you be willing to have friend of the court help you find employment or help you find an agency that would help you find
Please,
employment?
her get a job? Come on.
Yeah.
All right. Anything else you would like to tell the court?
I'm doing the best I can right now. With my medical conditions and surgeries coming up, I'm trying. I want to see my kids. I don't even know where they're at.
Here we go. Here are the excuses, guys. I don't even know where my children are. Clown world.
I have no way of contacting them. I can't see them. He denies me even a simple phone call to my children. The address that he's given the courts is a fake address. And when Judge Kirkham had awarded me custody in Calhoun County when I started a divorce from him, I went down there twice to get my kids. Both times they had the cops called on me, saying that I was attempting to kidnap my own freaking kid. When that wasn't true, I was just trying to go enforce the order that was given to me.
All right. Thank you. I have no further questions, Your Honor.
Ms. Bailey, what I'm going to do in this matter, first, couple things. First, at this point, I'm going to forfeit the bond previously posted in this matter. I'm going to adjourn this matter to December 20, 2022 at 8 o'clock.
Put her in jail.
That'll allow you time to get the appropriate documentation into the front of the court. You're going to have to get something from your doctor saying either if you can't work that you can't work. You need a prognosis and a diagnosis, as well as a statement of whether you can work. So just saying you're under your care, the doctor's care is insufficient. So that you know that, you're going to have to do that. The court is going to order that you participate in the LEAP program in the interim. And again, that you provide the front of the court with the information as to your attorney that is handling your disability claim so that they can be contacted if we need to. And the court would order that you continue to pay, or at least pay something in the interim out of the income that you have with Richardson Construction.
Yeah, pay something.
If you don't provide any of that information or documentation, or you don't participate in the LEAP program between now and then, I will tell you, I am saying at that point, but I would tell you, be prepared to go to jail.
Yep. There you go. There you go. You go into jail. But still, they wouldn't adjourn this to a later date.
How many times have they given her extension?
I don't know, dude. She owes $13,000. So if, like I said, if this was a guy, an angel, dude, your camera's on. So I took you out of the live. Yeah.
All right. I'm sorry about that. Yeah.
No worries.
Yes, sir.
So you've got this last opportunity. I'm not going to come in on December 20th and have you say, well, geez, I didn't get this now, or I wasn't able to get it. That's
This channel posts follow-ups, guys. So we'll see. Maybe in a couple of weeks, this knucklehead went to jail.
2 months, so that you can get all that in, and that we'll have all the information we need in this particular case. So that will be the order. We'll see you back on December 20 at 8:00 a.m. and we'll deal with and take care about it, everything at that point. The court will preserve all of the proofs taken at this time, so we don't have to go through it again.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. The court will end this matter.
Guys, see you. We saw we saw 3 cases and only one of them went to jail. And that's because she hadn't paid anything. She had paid $5 in like the last 6-7 years or whatever. That's what it took. No. One went to jail, and then the other one was trying to get out of child support, and they said, well, the court has to make you pay.
Yes, that's
So then
right.
she was all mad. That's right. And now this chick is getting a break. So guys, this is ridiculous. Because if it was the guy, he would end up in jail, right? And they wouldn't even sit and listen to him. Now, guys, we all know what time it is now. We're gonna switch some things up, guys, like we always do. We guys know what time it is.
Uh-oh.
Here we go. We know. Let me just change up the ambiance, guys. You guys know what time it is, right? Guys, I got a couple of doozies for us. So we got 2 quick ones, and then we have a DV case, man. Right? And it's sad, but let's guys, look at this. And this one might pop up on the other channel. So guys, please support the other channel. You guys, my other channel is straight up 50 and 304s. Is these 304s getting body slammed to the ground? So if you like that type of stuff, guys, I will drop the link to the second channel and make sure you are subscribed, guys. This is from Body Cam Watch, guys. So please make sure that you are subscribed to their channel here. And let's get into this.
On June 22nd, 2023, deputies were called to a local
Drop a like on the stream, guys. I'd appreciate that.
bar regarding an intoxicated woman attempting to drive.
Hey, ma'am. Go ahead and turn that off for me. Go ahead and turn the car off for me. How about?
Yeah.
So why are you driving if you've been drinking?
I'm going home right now.
Okay. Well, I can tell you're extremely intoxicated.
Can you?
You're slurring your speech.
Can you?
You're here.
No, you're not asking me. No, it's called garlic croutons. Yeah, and they're right there on the seat.
Telling me that you're stumbling out of here. You can barely park.
Dude, she's in front of the bar in Charlie's Pub. Look.
Tell you that.
You guys, what time is it? It's what's 18?
That's 6:08. That's 6 o'clock. 6:18.
Dang, she had a happy hour. Look at that.
Happy hour. Happy half a day.
I didn't do anything. I was drinking a beer. I can't drink a beer.
Oh boy.
Look at that.
They're the one that called me. They're the one that called me. You can barely stand right now.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Are you sure?
I am sure.
Let's go talk to them.
We're not going to go talk to them. We're not going to do that.
All right, I'm going.
Ma'am, no.
Ma'am,
Step over here.
sir, please.
334 Central. This is 94.
Please don't. Please don't. Hey. Do not address me.
Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, here we go. Already?
It's time.
Let's
go.
Do not. I'm not doing
Stop it, you're going to get tased.
Oh, taser,
He's
please,
running.
God. Please, Lord. I don't ask for much.
334. Whoever's in the house.
Oh, dude, officer, you need to pass that PT test. What are you doing?
I'm gonna stop myself. Stop. You're fucking stop. Stop. Why are you doing this?
Go down. On the ground.
Why are you doing this?
She's all tired. Uh-oh. No, don't kick him.
Roll over.
Should have used the Edison medicine.
Why are you doing this? Help me!
Look at that, dude. Look at that.
What I'm
Look at
mad
that.
Don't
about
pull
is
my
that
arm,
you
Sid.
didn't
Shoot
taser.
you on rotator cuffs. Why you being bastards to me?
Why did he tase? You know how many dudes would have been tased right there?
Oh, dude.
Exactly.
Guys, if this was a guy, straight
Oh,
up,
yeah.
dude.
Oh, yeah.
That's the thing. This is why I do Courtroom Madness and 50 and 304s. It's to
You'd
show
have gotten
even
the Brock Lesnar treatment, man.
Yeah,
You got Suplex City real quick.
dude, as crazy as these chicks get, right? They still get treated better than men. But guys, once again, this is my theory here, okay? And let me know, Angel, see you,
Yes.
Millie, everyone else. This is my theory that I've been working with ever since they legalized pot, right? That made all the arrests go down. Now, cops don't make money unless there's arrests. So what they're doing is arresting more women on things that they would let slide: public intoxication, disorderly conduct, simple battery, DV, right? They would just let it slide. But now they need to keep those arrest numbers up. So anytime that a girl acts up, all these cops' hands are rated E for everyone now. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but I've also heard that the quota thing for cops is not true.
What do you mean?
Like you have to hit like a ticket quota or an arrest quota for a month, whatever.
Well, but remember, when they look at the budget and then do the reports to the mayor, the city council, the more arrests makes them look better. It helps them justify the budget. You know what I'm saying? Which is why, for instance, that's why they want they've worked it out so that the majority of cases get pled out. They don't care how cases get resolved. They just want to show that the case was resolved. So if they can get you for something and then make you plead to something lesser, that's fine, because then it's not gumming up the works with you going to court. You know what I'm saying? But it used to be that in order to have a whole lot of cases being David, you are right. I did a live on how violent arrests are up with young women ages 19 to 32, 42% in the last 6 years. 42%. So all these girls are out there. Back in the day, they would just pull hair. But now it's the get over here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's right.
You know what I'm saying? And guys, and now you got the in there too.
Yeah.
You got the Transformers out there beating up chicks too. You know what I'm saying? It's clown world.
Oh, AJ, don't forget about the divorce rate for the lesbians, the lesbian.
That's true.
That's part of it too, though.
Yeah, guys, you know what? When these lesbians, man, they walk down the aisle fine, but once they file for divorce, guys.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's right. That's right.
They're throwing Stone Cold Stunners on each other. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
It's not a game.
It's gonna be in mid 30 West Kilo Highway.
I fucking love my community, and I do everything I can for them. And look at you. You're out here fucking doing nothing for nothing. Help me!
Where did her shoes go?
Get on your stomach.
Help me!
What is this tattoo she
Help
has?
me! Help me! Help me! You goddamn right. You
34 cents. I got one saying you can clear traffic, slow response.
Help me!
Go stand up.
Help me!
Good.
Yeah.
Guys, this is the only time where I think that female officers are okay. You know what I'm saying? Because the last thing that he needs is this drunk 304 trying to put some type of SA charge on him. You know what I'm saying?
Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! What's your name? Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me!
So,
Help me!
she wasn't driving?
Hell no! You're walking home from my mother.
She
Spot and you put it in me.
she had the car started when I walked up.
There's 3 cops as he's screaming for help. She got,
You should fucking rot in hell, you bastard! I didn't spit at you!
Man, relax.
You're lucky I didn't kick you in the balls. Don't touch me!
I had to turn it off, had her step out. Slurred speech. I explained why I'm here. She started to run away from me. I told her to stop. Didn't stop.
Exactly.
Grabbed onto her.
Take a deep breath. Look at y'all.
We're gonna stand you up.
There you go.
3. Where's your car at?
There. Take me to police officer. Take me.
there it is, guys.
Oh yeah, absolutely. And I want my medication and I want my croutons, please.
Which car is hers? It's the Black Avenger over here.
Guys, if there's one thing that I can say, guys, the Dodge Avenger was one of the biggest pieces of crap cars. This, like 2010 one. You see, the Dodge Avenger.
As soon as you said Dodge Avenger, I was like, it makes sense.
Dude, these things were terrible cars. Horrible cars. Was that? And then what was the thing? The Dodge Journey. Oh
The
my
Journey
gosh.
wasn't bad. The Dart was.
Yeah, they was. So guys, quick story, right? My friend, my best friend, he met his now ex-wife when they were both in the Navy, right? And my friend had to get out on medical leave because he herniated 2 discs in his back. So, but they ended up getting divorced because his 304 wife cheated on him, right? So they got divorced and they sold their house in San Diego and made like 170 grand. So then they had to split the cost. He invested his. She blew through her part of the money in like a year and a half. She got a brand new. This is like 2013. A brand new Dodge Avenger Jay-Z Black Album edition. How are you gonna get a limited edition piece of crap car? That she spent like 55 grand on a Dodge Avenger, dude. What was she doing? So she's like, I'm gonna need money for help. He's like, no. So, anyways, I digress.
Exactly. No, I know. Whatever you gotta do. Hey, you ain't taking my purse. You better leave that shit on me.
I got it. I'll search. I got it.
Yes. Leave my shit the f on me.
We're just gonna see.
What a mess.
Stop grabbing.
Hey,
stop grabbing. It's done. Okay, we're done.
No, it ain't done.
Relax.
Get the f off my purse, you little.
Just need to calm down for us. We're taking it.
I will come. No, you ain't taking
It's
shit.
going with you, but we're not going to keep it on you, okay?
Relax. Let it go, man.
It's
Wes, are these hers? Those are hers, yeah.
Her shoes. Look at that face, man. Look at that face. Yeah.
what I'm doing, and I'm totally
You know the messed up part, bro, is she
Just
can,
ask her. She's one of.
What's that?
she can sue that bar for over serving her.
Yeah, there's shoot. That happens now. And you know what the craziest part is? Guys, in the chat, and Angel, how many times have we seen these knuckleheads slip their cuffs? Okay.
Oh man.
Estimate, put a guesstimate of how many times that we have seen these women slip the cuffs. And it's funny because the cops don't do anything. But you know damn well that if a man slipped his cuffs, You know what I'm saying? That would be it. That
Yeah.
would be it.
Smith feels probably exercise in church and tell you to piss off, but he's asking.
That's what the f y'all on.
Hey, can you listen to me real quick?
No, you pig.
Yes.
Look at that. Uh-oh. Don't do that. Back to the
God.
That's not
Back on the floor again.
Back to the ground you go.
I wish they did what cops used to do. Is they used to follow the person to the booking, and then see them the next day, like when they wake up in the drunk tank and they realize, oh, I'm in jail. I want to see her realization.
Yeah. There's a couple of them we actually see the next day. Angel, were you following the channel with that light-skinned girl that was acting absolutely insane for like it was like this 45-minute long video, and she's looking at the camera like yelling into the camera, and then the next day they show her sober. You remember that?
I don't know. I don't remember that.
I gotta find that for the greatest hits, man. Oh man.
Okay. All right.
Look at him.
Are they gonna hog tie her?
Look at him, look.
Is she trying to bite him?
Let go.
Wait. What is? Oh, that's the thing for her purse. Okay.
Don't you try and bite me. Resisting.
Oh, look at you.
Stop resisting.
Yeah.
Get the f up.
No, stop. Until you calm down, you're staying right where you're at because we're not going to get kicked or hurt. So whenever you're done.
I get to my neighborhood.
Okay.
They're gonna f***ing love you, bitches.
Is that your
They're
phone?
gonna f***ing love you. They're gonna
Guys, don't ever be with a chick that can't handle her alcohol. You know what I'm saying? All of us know these guys. Know these girls where they just get drunk and then all of a sudden.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a long ride to the station. What's up, Steve? What's going on? Pitmaster, how's it going, guys?
We're good. We'll just get a
Now she's crying.
You can have that side on the legs, and we'll just go straight in.
Oh yeah, is that good for you, you dumb mother.
We'd rather not pick you up and put you in the vehicle.
Ah, dude,
Oh, that's not
dude,
nice.
look, they're hog tying her, guys.
Uh-oh.
Just the law enforcement. We're here for you. Good. Yep. Watch your face.
Look
All
at
right,
that.
got it. Tried to bite me. No, she ain't bite nothing.
Careful.
Yep.
Look at that, guys.
Is she hogtied or is she
Isn't
not
this?
standing?
Yeah.
Is she
She's
hogtied? I just thought she wasn't standing.
no. They have her feet tied too. Guys, isn't this indicative of society as a whole? All these men's efforts focus on one drunk 304. You know what I mean? This is how it works.
304 part, bro.
Well, what's that?
When you call him 304.
So we can't say the actual word on.
I know. It took me a little bit. I finally got it.
So lift her up. She's going.
Get on that side.
I swear to God, if I
Thank God, guys. Give these cops a round.
He opened that
Applause.
door. She was talking and he shut it.
What were you saying?
Go back because he opened it like he was gonna fix her, like help her, like get situated.
And you just shut the door?
And she
I
shut the
swear to
door.
God, if I
Oh, hey, we call when they have to reach in and pull her back from the other side. So we call that the drag queen.
I can't get on the other side. The bricks are there.
Wow.
Straight to the jail. You're gonna need to get her there as soon as possible.
I wonder if the female cop, I don't know, did she just make detective or like why are they are they blurring her face?
Yeah. And you'll, she's the other.
She's
When
probably
you
doing
go, just
undercover
double
work
check
now.
the stuff. Before.
Yeah.
What's that?
She's probably doing undercover work now.
Yeah, yeah.
While you're at the jail. So, hit her with DUI anyway.
Listen to their crying. Look at that.
Appreciate it.
And there it is, guys. Look at that. Look
I
at
hope the jail is
that.
closed. I hope it's not a 45-minute ride to the jail.
What's that?
I hope it's not a 45-minute ride to the jail.
I know. He's gonna put on. I don't know, guys. What kind of songs do you think he's gonna listen to drown that out? Right? Put on some Megadeth.
So resisting with.
Oh, guys, look at that. Is so I guess we've only seen one or two resisting with violence, right? This everything else is resisting without violence, huh?
I love a good time.
Yeah.
Resisting
Yeah.
with violence. Yeah.
Absolutely.
And corruption by threat.
Look at that. All right, guys, here we go. Here we go. This is from Body Cam Edition, guys. Check them out, please. Let's go.
I didn't steal anything. I didn't steal anything.
On October 4th, 2023, officers responded to a shoplifting incident at a 76 gas station.
Sorry, guys. I got to break out the race card for this one.
According to the call notes, a female suspect was seen stealing candy and placing it in her purse before fleeing on foot.
How you gonna
Officers
steal
swiftly
some Kit
located her at a
Kats?
nearby bus stop.
Guys, you stole candy. It's fine, but come back. Stop. Don't.
I'm not doing anything.
Listen.
Okay.
They just want you to trespass. If you walk away, you're gonna go to jail.
that's
Go
fine.
sit over there.
I'm listening.
Okay, go sit over there.
All right, cool.
You're being video and audio recorded, just so you know. Have a seat, please. Have a seat.
I don't want to have a seat.
Oh my God, you're gonna make us take you to jail over some
I'm
stupid.
gonna have a seat. Yes, okay, so correct.
Guys, give this cop a round of applause. Because I guarantee he's like, look, just give the candy back, and then we'll trespass you, and we'll just leave you on your way. You know what I'm saying? And yes, I hate shoplifters too, man. Guys, the Walgreens near me now, like so much stuff is behind glass. It's ridiculous, man. All
Yeah.
because these knuckleheads don't want to pay for stuff. And then they're all like, oh my God, they're shutting down all the Walgreens in Chicago and Oakland because of racism. No, how about you tell your cousins to stop stealing from the friggin' Target? You know what I'm saying? What's going on, man? It's crazy.
Well, did you see what American Psycho governor in California said the other day? He's like, we have like the 10th strictest laws against shoplifting.
Please.
$900 or more. Like, yeah, if you go to $900, there's no punishment. Like,
There was a guy in Portland, Oregon. Guys, I have feedback from someone. I don't know who it is, but I can hear myself. Hold on.
I hear myself all the time.
Yeah, so this guy in his store, he marks everything $950 and then takes the difference off at the register. So if you steal anything from him, you will go to jail. That's what it takes. And he's in Oakland, Clown World.
Catalina, what's up?
You're what?
Catalina, what's up?
I don't know who you are. Okay, so you said you stole candy. What I'd like is to get the candy back and issue a trespass warning.
I don't have no candy. I didn't steal any
You didn't?
No.
Okay. All right. We'll have them do a show up and stuff, and if they say it's you, we'll arrest you. Okay?
Okay.
That works.
Uh-oh. They're putting on the OJ gloves.
There's no candy in it.
We're just gonna see if you were one that stole. It's been a while, so whether or not you have whatever they say you stole or not, we'll talk to them. Okay?
Don't talk with me again. That's weird. Funny you talk to us. It's weird.
Will you hang out with her for a second? We're just gonna go back over there and just talk to them. Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing today? You what?
Check the bag. There's no candy.
Hey guys, so on this, but that news, Task Force X, kills Justice League game. You know what I mean? It's like we're like Harley Quinn and all them. Kill the Justice League, as if the stupid game isn't bad enough and a failure. They race swap Deadshot, and then Deadshot, because Green Lantern in the game is a John Stewart Green Lantern who's black. Deadshot, who's black, says that basically Green Lantern is a race traitor because he's black and he served in the military, and now he's a Green Lantern that's a intergalactic space clown world. And they wonder why the game failed. You know what I'm saying?
Check the bag. Check the camera. There's no candy.
I have no idea.
Okay.
They asked for someone else to show up here, so here I am. Hey, you just take a seat.
I'm just looking for my lighter so I can smoke my cigarette.
I don't want you digging around. So take a seat.
Take a seat?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Let me take a seat.
All right, so she matches the description. She has a design on her pants, right? Maybe it's not her. We got to figure it out. We have enough to stop her, so we're going to go talk to the guy that works here.
There's still no candy. So what's the
Is that what they're saying? Is you still candy?
Yeah, that's what they're saying.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want the surveillance, I can.
What do you want her done? You just want her trespassed? You want her charged?
What do you guys recommend?
I don't know. She doesn't have any of this stuff on her. What did she steal?
Sour on the camera.
This is Kent, Washington. Guys, Kent sucks. Kent sucks, man.
Candy and the chips. I'm not sure what she did with the candy.
What kind of candy?
Yellow color box candy.
Like I said, I don't know. I was driving past to get gas. Why would they say that? Why would they say that you were selling candy?
That's what they said. They said I sold candy.
Do you want to see if we can get the stuff back, and then we'll just trespass her? If not, then we can arrest her if you want. I mean, it's up to you, really.
Yeah, Carlos, I can't say the actual name because it's got the S word in it. You know what I'm saying?
Store.
I mean, you guys gonna arrest her, and then after
And that's why they call him Task Force X, is because you can't say the blue aside word, the blue aside squad word in a kid's show. You know what I'm saying?
24 hours she's going back on the street.
Correct. Yeah, I don't run them.
There's no point of doing that.
We can. Well, I can't tell you what they'll do, right? I mean, I can't say that won't happen. I also can't say that will happen. All right. Like I said, at this point, stop digging around. All right. Just keep your hands where I can see them. I'm gonna put you in handcuffs if you don't.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Appreciate you. Because if it turns out it's nothing, I'm gonna get out of here, and we're gonna be done with this.
Okay. I stole a bag of.
Yeah. So emoji, Mister. Yeah, there was some ethnist wokey woke who wrote the script for the game. Sad.
So I took a bag of hot Cheetos. The lady popped up. I took the hot Cheetos out. Said, "Is there fork?" There's no fork.
Quit digging.
Okay. Excuse me.
Thank you. Heck, we'll do whatever you want, man. It's your store. You have the rights here. So.
Arrest her and do misdemeanor or whatever the charges against her. So that way, if anyone is seeing, they won't do the same thing.
Okay, you have surveillance.
Guys, what do we always say over here to do? Right, guys?
Press charges.
Press charges. Okay? Press charges.
Client's video.
Yeah.
She stole a bunch of stuff, huh?
Yeah. And then my mom, she came over there, got the chips out, but she still took a majority of the candy.
Did she just run out after your mom confronted her?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, we'll go arrest her, and then we'll come back and we'll get all the info we need from you.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, I'm okay. I have things to do. I have an interview to go to.
You've been had. You've been took. You've been hoodwinked, bamboozled, led astray, run amok.
Look at that.
Go to.
Where?
We're at the library.
The library? You got to put me at the library?
Valley City.
Good for you.
Yeah.
Hey, so you are going to be under arrest?
I didn't steal anything.
Well, they do have video footage of
I
you.
literally didn't steal
Well,
anything.
they have video footage of you.
I didn't steal anything. I didn't steal anything.
Uh-oh.
Oh, boy. Oh, yeah.
It's time.
Let's go, man.
Catalina, quit it. No. I don't want to hurt you. Get the fuck off of me. No.
Quit it.
No. No.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, I got her hand back. If you can get that hand.
No. Get the off of me.
So just
Get off of me. Get off. No.
there you go.
Get off. No. Get off of me.
Hold on. There we go.
No. No.
Stop fighting. Ah, she bit me.
Stop.
Oh.
Get off of me now.
All right, now you're under arrest for a felony.
No.
Get that.
Just assaulted a
Because I
person.
didn't get to me.
Quit kicking me.
Get off of me. No.
Get off my cuffs.
Get off.
Let go of the handcuffs.
No, because I didn't steal anything.
You're gonna get tased if you do not. You're gonna get tased if you don't let go.
No.
Oh, wow.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Edison medicine.
Guys, let's see the instant replay, okay? Let's see that.
What a
That's
shocking
good.
reaction.
Get off of me now.
All right, now you're under arrest for a felony.
No.
You just assaulted a
Because I
person.
didn't get to me.
Quit kicking me.
Get off of me. No.
Get off my cuffs.
Get off.
Let go of the handcuffs.
No, because I didn't steal
I
anything.
guarantee you, she looks like the type that can slip those cuffs, guys. Watch.
You're gonna get tased if you do not. You're gonna get tased if you don't let go.
No.
Guys, the best things in life are free, dude.
Stop resisting. Stop fighting. Let go of the handcuffs. You're gonna get tased again if you let
Get
go
her
of
again.
it. Catalina, quit it. Stop.
Get her again.
Get off.
Do you? What do you?
You need to get a witness because I didn't steal nothing.
Ma'am, we need
I
to
didn't
roll
steal
you.
anything.
Ma'am.
No.
To stop fighting with us.
No, because I didn't steal nothing. No.
So you
I'm not
relax.
under assault 3 because I didn't. You
bit
assaulted me.
You bit me.
Because you said I stole something.
Okay, well, you're under arrest.
No,
okay?
well,
For
arrest for
assaulting a
what?
police. You were going to be under arrest
Arrest
for
for
shoplifting.
what?
Now you're under
You
arrest for assaulting a police officer.
A trespass me.
Catalina,
Stop.
it was for shoplifting.
No, I didn't shoplift shit.
Then it upgraded to
I
assault
didn't
3
say-
when you bit my partner.
No, because I didn't shoplift nothing.
Well, you bit my partner.
Well, so you hurt me.
There's no
It's
so
called
nothing.
self-defense.
No, you jumped on
I
the ground.
didn't. Where's the witness? I
Our
did
body
not.
cams are
You're
recording.
off of me. You trespassed
Dude,
me,
when I
right,
jumped
sir?
my leg back when she was biting me, it locked
You
up my kneecap.
trespassed me, right, sir?
It
Get off
I
of
think
me.
it's my old injury.
Get off
I
of
don't
me.
think I got from here. I don't know.
Get off of me.
Take a breath for me. Just take a breath for me, Catalina.
For what?
Thank you right now. I just need you to take a breath to calm down.
So didn't you trespass me?
No.
Did I steal something? No.
You weren't trespassed.
I was trespassed.
No.
Wasn't I just trespassed?
No, you're placed under
You
arrest.
you trespassed.
Look at
me.
that.
Placed under arrest.
No. For what?
She's
No,
under arrest
for
for
what?
assault 3 now. She bit
No,
my leg.
for what? Shoot what down?
Hold your side.
Shoot what down? No.
Quit trying to
Get
break
off
your
of
fingers.
me! No!
Yeah, you're
I didn't
You're
steal
dictating
shit.
our actions
No,
right
because
now.
I didn't steal
Time to
nothing.
stop.
No, I didn't. So
Catalina.
what did I steal? Stop taking shit out of my pocket. You keep stealing stuff from me.
Stay straight.
Stop! No! Let me
breathe
go!
for me, ma'am.
Let me go! No! What are you doing? Stop checking my pocket.
You want to search? We're good. We're gonna check your pocket.
Stop! Because you're stealing!
You're under
Yes.
arrest.
No, I'm not.
You are.
For what? Get the f off of me.
She's still fighting, guys.
You said trespass. You know what trespass means? Get off of me. What are you doing in my pockets for?
You're under arrest, so we're searching
For
you
what?
for assault.
I didn't assault you. Get off of me. Look at all these police officers.
Well, you guys
You're
did
weirdo, bro.
Oh.
Get off of me. You're literally stealing my shit.
Quit pinching me.
Get off of me. I'm not under arrest.
Yeah, you
No,
are.
I'm not. Get off of me. I didn't steal nothing. No, I didn't. Get off. Get off. Ah! No, stop taking my stuff.
Quit trying
Get
to pinch me.
off.
Quit trying to pinch me.
No, get off of me, bro.
Quit trying to pinch me.
No, get off. The stressors, get off. Get off.
Pull her head back so she doesn't bite me.
Pull my head back for what?
You already bit one. You already bit one person.
No, what the
She
fuck?
bit someone.
So this side.
No! You're off of me! No! Stop! Taking my stuff! You're off!
Let go what's in your hand.
No, I don't have nothing in my hand. You're off of me now. You're
Stop tapping at me, please.
You're off! Stop! No! You're off! I don't want the f***ing dog! You're off! No! My bro, get off of me now! You're off! No! No, because I didn't steal shit. Get the f*** off of me now! Get off! No! Get off!
It's like a little kid, dude.
You're gonna go to jail.
I don't want to go to jail for what? No! No, I'm not going to f***ing jail!
Please.
No, I'm not going to jail! Get off of me! Get off of me! Yeah. No! Stop! Stop! I'm not going to fucking jail for no stupid! Fuck! Get off of me, stupid! Get off of me! No! Get off! No, I'm not going to fucking jail! No! I'm not going to jail!
Please.
Stop! What is it? Stop! Get off of me, bro! No! No!
Michael Norman, of course she has prior. Guys, we haven't seen the Chipotle treatment in a while.
Chipotle.
Look at that. They wrapped her up like a burrito. Look at that. All these efforts, all these men right around here, all their efforts wasted on some knuckleheaded 304, man. I'm telling you, all these videos are just so indicative of society as a whole. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you guys, this is what my analogy has been this, okay? Over the last, 4,000 or 5,000 years, right? Men have built, imagine that we built a huge mansion resort, okay? Like a huge, a 200-room mansion, okay? And basically gave it Wi-Fi and all this other stuff. And then the women say, hey, you know what, man, you guys built this whole place and, maintain it. Well, you know what? We think we should be in charge. And not only that, we think that we can maintain it and we can do it better than you. Right? So slowly, all the guys are letting them take over more and more of the maintenance. And now, all of a sudden, they're like, you know what? We want you guys out on the front yard. So now, the guys who built the damn place are looking in through the windows as the women trash the place. Knowing that one day they're going to ask us to come back in and fix everything. That's the problem. You know what I'm saying? It's all the women, or the wokey wokes. You know what I'm saying? And the...
You know what I'm thinking, bro? Imagine being that one cop. He said, I was just driving by to get gas, and they asked me to step in and hold you until they got back.
Yeah, right? He was going to get some gas and some coffee because they had nothing but decaf back at the station, right? in some chamomile tea K-cups that Sandra brought in. You know what I'm saying?
And now he's giving the chick the Chipotle treatment.
Look at that, man.
Get the off of it!
Why are you still screaming, dude?
No! Get off of me! Get off! No! Get off!
Oh, she's spitting now. Uh-oh. Guys, give her the shower curtain. That's what I call it, is a shower curtain. Little spit thing.
Get off!
They should just put her bonnet down over her head.
Yeah, that'll work.
Oh, get off! Stop! Get the off! Get off! Stop! Get the off of me! No! Get off of me! Get off!
I made my door right there.
At what point do you realize, oh shit, all right, I fucked up, guys, I'm sorry.
There it is.
There it is.
Steve Millie, dude, really? Are you honestly asking that question?
At what
Yeah.
point do you realize, oh, okay, they got me wrapped up. Like, let me stop screaming like a lunatic.
You actually think that these 304s think logically or reasonably? Sorry, man.
You've been had. You've been took. You've been hoodwinked, bamboozled, led astray, run amok.
Guys, yeah, the
You've been
hood of
screaming
shame.
for 30 minutes.
Yeah, and the shower cap. Yeah. That's what we're gonna call it.
Stop! Get off of me now!
Yeah.
Stop! No, you don't have shit.
Look at this, dude. Look at this, guys. I'm telling you, give these cops a round of applause.
The hood is changed.
Look at that, man.
You're not taking me to jail for nothing, no, because you hurt me. So it's self-defense. Get the off of me. No, just get off of me. No. Get off of me. No. Stop. Get off of me. No. Get off of my boat. No, I'm not going to the stupid ass jail. No. Get off. Get off. Get off. No, get off of me now. I'm not going. That's right. You should have turned. No, get off. Unlock the car. No. No, because I'm not going. I don't care. You told me I don't give a fuck. Get off. Get off. I don't want to stop. Stop. Get off. No.
What a mess.
We're doing it?
Look at this. They wrapped her completely up.
Okay, lift your legs up.
Mess.
For what? No, because you still have me trespassing the state. Lay me the out. Get off of me. Get off. Get off. You're not going to throw me nowhere. Get off. Get off. No, because I ain't staying still. You stupid. You got my bag, so I steal nothing. No, get off of me now. Get off. I don't care. No, I'm not going to you. Oh yeah, I got you, Dr. Cool. No. Stop. Stop. Get the off of me. That is still your stupid shit. Get off.
She's still going, guys. Like, at least toddlers tire themselves out after a little bit of time, right?
Which of the two would you rather in the back of your cop car for a 45-minute ride to jail?
Dude, well, I don't know, man. Well, they're both equally bad. This one and the previous one they're both
I think the first
pretty
one,
bad.
I think she'll be asleep in like 10 minutes. So
But-
I take the first one.
You guys remember the one It's Pat that was wearing red in the video that I did, Angel? You remember that?
Pat,
friggin-
yeah, I know.
Yeah, yikes, man. That one was the worst.
The woman faced charges of
Felony assault,
shoplifting, resisting arrest, obstructing, and making false statements.
Look at that.
Notably, her name was not Catalina. Do you anticipate she'll continue shoplifting once she's released?
This is why you shouldn't use dating apps.
Your boyfriend?
It's my Tinder date.
What is that?
What is that about? Hold on. Oh, look. So they go on a high-speed chase.
My credit card. No, my credit card.
Oh, so the cops try to pull them over. This is their first date. And dude said, straight up Grand Theft Auto, dude. Yeah, we'll have to save this for a clown world or something. Because why? Here, you know what? I gotta save this, guys. Guys, you gotta be careful who you're dating, man. Look at that. There we are. Okay, guys, check this out. Let's go here. So, guys, so we haven't watched a DV case in a while, but I'm gonna have a straight up like all DV 50 and 304s. Okay.
So
here we go.
Unfortunately, you know she's got to go.
Yeah.
She's got to go to jail. She does.
Hold on, let me move this. Look at his face. Look.
What is this?
Look.
You know she's got to go.
Yeah.
She's got to go to jail. She does.
For real?
For real?
Bomba clot.
Stop resisting. I'm not resisting. Why? No money, please. Look my cell phone. I got proofs. I got the video.
This
Okay.
chick has to be Dominican, right? You think so, Angel?
I don't know. I have to hear more though.
Of Dominicans, chicks and dudes have that either Cuban or Dominican where they sound like they just smoke like 20 packs of cigarettes a day for like 10 years. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like I know a girl who's Cuban and her voice sounds like this.
Could be.
Nah.
January.
Look at this guy's face, dude. Look at that. Look.
Damn. Nah.
For real?
Yo, she was probably beating you up, dude. That's just the thing.
Oh, yeah.
Hispanic girls, man, they can either be really cool or crazy, or they're really cool until they get jealous.
Oh, forget it.
Whoa, forget it, dude. Forget it. I used to date this
Forget
chick.
it, man.
Yo, her mom was from Spain, and then her dad was Mexican, and we were cool, but she was older than me, so we would be out, and like anytime any girl even tried to like, excuse me, can I reach past you? Then I was like, who are you talking to? It's like, whoa, chill, you know.
January the 5th, 2024. Officers in Hollywood, Florida, are dispatched to
Of
a
course,
parking lot
Florida.
where witnesses have reported hearing
Ohio,
a woman
Florida.
screaming for the police.
Oh, so she called the police.
Ma'am.
Okay, guys. Okay, put a 1 if you think this. Okay, this is a female cop in Florida, and she looks relatively thin. Do you think guys think she's gonna be cute or an uggo? Put a 1 for cute, 2 for an uggo. Okay.
Hello. Let me have you step over here.
Could be 1. I would say a 1. I'll give it the benefit of the doubt. Maybe a 1.
Everyone's funny too. You guys remember that one DV case with the sergeant where the lady's like, "You're the girl that he's sleeping with." That cop was fine. You remember her? Angel?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah,
I think so. Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah. Hey, David, man, thanks, bro. I appreciate that, man. You know, I was talking to someone else that might want to start YouTube, and I honestly say the one thing that I wish that I could take back is procrastinating for as long as I did starting this channel. You know what I mean? Like I was procrastinating for so long. You know what I mean? Because like and now that I am doing this, and all you guys are supporting me, dude, it's like I wish that I'd have started this earlier because I have so much fun doing this, you know, and I'm glad that I can entertain you guys. So especially now, look, I'd rather sit and talk ish with you guys than sit and watch anything on TV. You know what I'm saying? On actual cable, you know. So
What's going on? Do you have any weapons on you? No, I'm good. All right, turn around, make sure. You got into an argument with your, is that your significant other in the car? No. So what's going on? You were yelling to call the police.
those are fake. Her lips are fake, right? You know this is Florida, right?
But you're yelling saying call the police. No, we're just looking. You didn't yell to someone to say call the police? No. Okay, so you weren't fighting in the car? No.
Yeah, Michael Noran. Hopefully 6K subs coming soon, guys. I'm trying to hit like 10, 12,000 by the end of the year. I think that I can do it. Yes, Michael Norman. Yo, Michael Norman, I'm gonna give you a round of applause because yo, he was thinking what we were all thinking, guys.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? Oops.
So what's happening right now?
No. Who you talking?
We just talking.
Mm-hmm. So you weren't just fighting?
No.
Okay. No. I'm not done. Can I get your name?
Oh yeah. Angel, everyone said that you have an announcement.
Oh yeah. Well, I was gonna save it at the end of the show. All right. Well, you brought it up anyway. Okay. Now, all right. Now, I received notice that you, AJ, starting this Thursday, you're gonna come out with a show. I don't know if it's a series or what though. It's gonna be 5-0s and 304s international.
International. Yep.
Right.
You know it.
All right. So now, all right. Now here's the announcement. AJ, gentlemen. Well, we're the only two on the panel. Fellow subscribers and those who are new to the channel, this is my announcement. I will forego my candidacy for the president, but I will run for Secretary General of the UN. Because since I've noticed that dealing with 304s is not a local problem, it's not a national problem, it's a worldwide problem now. And I feel that in order to deal with these hoes, 304s, I'm sorry, 304s, drastic action has to be taken. Otherwise, unfortunately, this cancer will spread around and it'll be out of control. So I will run as Secretary General for the UN. Thank you.
You are scaring the hoes.
I hope so. I'm coming for you. 304s. Be ready.
Guys, please remember Monday, right, Angel? Next Monday.
Yes.
Was it 9:00 or 9:30 work better for you?
Yeah, well, it could be 9 o'clock. I mean, either one.
Okay, 9 o'clock, guys. We are going to do Angel's State of the Union. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Now we don't do real politics. What we're doing is like common sense politics, right? It's like the whole migrant thing, all these woke cities, right? So we're not going to talk about the election or any of that. We're going to talk about just basic stuff and stuff that involves that's red pill adjacent. Okay. So guys, please in the Send the Asteroid thread, if you want anything that you want to talk about, or if you want to be on the panel, let me know, guys, and you can jump on the panel from the jump. All right. But Angel, what are we going to talk about? The migrant thing, all the 304s now in New York because of the migrant.
Talk about anything.
Yeah,
anything you want to talk about, though, we discuss it. Here's the thing, though. Unlike other politicians that they want to like control and direct the flow of what things are talked about, me, it's open field. Anything is possible, and I'll be straight up honest. Unlike these other politicians, I'll be straight up honest on my answer. Okay, I have nothing to hide. Because if you don't show transparency, then no one will believe you in what you have to say and do. Thank you.
Max. Angel, so guys, one of the reasons why I want to set this up is, Angel, you were in New York like in the 80s and the 90s, right? When it was bad, right?
Oh man, listen, it could go as far back as the 70s, man, because the city was starting to get into trouble in the 70s, as it is.
Yep. And then Giuliani came, it got better, and now it's getting bad again, right?
Yeah, well, yeah. I mean, it worked out for a while when he was there, and then a couple of mayors carried out what he was doing and all that, and then all of a sudden they just started slacking off, So. Like everything else, it goes good for a while, then it slack off, and then it start to get right back to where it used to. Okay, people call it the good old days. I call it the bad old days.
Yeah.
That's how it was. It was the bad old days.
Yep.
Really bad.
That's true. Everyone's talking about the brothels there. Yeah.
Never mind that. No. Never mind that. Times Square, right? 42nd Street. But before it became quote unquote Disney World, It used to be a whole line of sex shops, porno theaters, all that, a whole line of it. I'm telling you. And then I remember because when I used to walk down there, I'm gonna make this quick. When I used to walk down there, there used to be guys. Hey, you want to buy? You want to buy? You want to buy? You know, because they're selling drugs.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So all that was going on. It was really bad. It was really seedy, especially in that part right there. It was really bad. And there were other neighborhoods. Forget it, man. It was like, man, you couldn't believe it though.
Yeah.
But anyway, in the words of AJ, I digress.
Yeah. But here, guys, give me a second here, because I have to take a little bio break here. Let me go to something else here, and then we can.
Yeah. Michael, it's funny you should mention that because Serpico was based on a true story back in the early 70s. And he was the only officer out of that whole precinct that was clean. Majority of them were all corrupt. Because I saw that movie, and it was a true story too. So it's funny you should mention that.
Here, guys, we'll look at this one. This is another DV one, but I'll be right back. Let's play.
Why doesn't even know?
Oh boy.
Officers responded to a bar disturbance and observed a female physically assaulting a male.
Enough. Hey, go over there. Ma'am, have a seat over here. Sit down.
You saw that?
What's going on?
Nothing where you're straight. She's just kind of
okay.
Right now. Sorry, yeah. Whatever you need. But
You got the gloves on. He's ready for that.
smoking me, dude, the whole fucking time.
Why?
She thinks that there's a whole lot of shit going on over here, but it's not. I mean, it's her birthday's tomorrow, so she's a little drunk.
Are you guys together?
Yeah, we are.
Okay. Is she wife, married?
You can ask her that.
Married, girlfriend?
Girlfriend.
Okay. How long have you guys been together?
A year and a half.
All right.
I'm not trying to be an asshole, but look at me.
I know, I see you. Do you need rescue to come check you out?
She knew over there when she smoked me. I was like,
okay. Do you need rescue to come check you out?
No, I don't need that.
You sure you don't need any kind of rescue?
No, I just want her to be okay. And I want her to chill.
I see that on the top of your head there. Are you bleeding from anywhere else or just the top of your head?
No, just my hand. She got me on the side over here. You probably saw that right as you pulled up.
Okay. Well, I think you were probably bleeding before that too.
I don't want her to get any. It's her birthday tomorrow, so
I understand.
So tell me what happened.
He's married and we came here together. Tomorrow's my birthday.
Oops.
I'm here with him and his best friend Joe. I'm trying to find Joe because he has my
Yeah, she's there with him. His best friend Joe.
Oh yeah. The Express.
But I'll save this for the next DV one. But let's go back to Florida. Here we are.
As the woman shares her personal details, a pair of
As a woman shares her personal details.
is close in.
You guys were arguing when I pulled up? No. No. Okay. I'm gonna have a conversation with him. Okay. Where are you heading to? Oh, what? Where are you heading to? I don't either. Where are you driving? Where are you going?
No, I'm going home.
Okay. Where do you live?
Sorry, that's copyright music.
Oh, he's over there.
Yeah, she was like out of her car, just like talking like that, but she's denying.
She's average, right? I mean, whatever.
She said there was no argument. I didn't get a chance to talk to him because I didn't want to walk over to the car by myself.
We'll go. All right. We're boyfriend, girlfriend.
Boyfriend.
Not married.
No.
So they were just arguing over just one.
She said she denied arguing. She said they weren't arguing. She never yelled to call the police. They never hit each other. They never fought.
Actually, you guys know what she looks like, right?
Lesbian.
You're gonna stand here. They're gonna go talk to him.
All these chicks always on their phones, man. Swear to God, guys, I need to start like a series about how social media and all the apps are the pantheon of gods to these 304s. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
You know what I mean? It's crazy. Like, you know, was it Instagram is Zeus? Facebook is Apollo. You know what I'm saying?
Let them go and talk to him. You don't need to call him and say anything.
No, it's okay.
Who are you calling?
No, my friend, she was calling me.
What's going on, my man? So, what's going on? She's saying that you guys were not arguing. She's denying everything. So, we need your side of the story.
No, we were
Hi.
Papi, yo sé que estamos peleando, pero no.
You don't need to interrupt. Let them talk to him.
Pero que we don't fight.
Okay. All we need to know.
Is she Dominican? I'm
No.
trying to, like, I don't speak Spanish, but I can play Spanish. You know what I'm saying? So for instance, like I can tell if a person's Argentinian, I can tell if a person's Mexican, just because I can hear the Spanish.
No, hello.
I just know that Cubans like machine gun Spanish at each other.
Yeah, they speak fast. So sometimes.
What's that?
No, I say that they speak so fast that I can't even understand what they're saying.
Yeah. A friend of mine picked up the phone and she was talking to her mom, and I thought she was arguing with someone. I'm like, who was that? It's like, oh, that was my mom. I'm like, you speak to your mom?
Yeah, because they're loud. Yeah.
But what is happening?
Stay over here.
But we're doing something bad.
Can you stay over here? Yes, we got calls from 911
But
saying that
why?
you're yelling, calling the police.
Nosotros no estamos
Listen,
haciendo nada.
Stop walking. Stand right here.
But we were doing
Stand
anything.
Right here. Okay, we're investigating, and you're interrupting the investigation.
But why are you pushing me?
I'm not pushing you. I'm telling you to stay right here.
Who's a cop?
Yes,
I'm telling you to
it's
stay right
okay.
here. Hello.
Mommy.
No, bro. We haven't argued, but we got home already. I'm not driving. She's driving.
She's driving this?
Yeah, she's driving the Jeep. Yeah.
We're investigating the call. You yelled to call police.
What
So we're
call?
investigating. So stand right here and don't cause an issue.
We're good.
Okay, we
don't
are good.
fighting.
Let us figure it out. Let us investigate.
Sorry, guys. They're blurring everything out.
Yeah, we were arguing because she think that I was drunk and she's mad at me.
You take your hand out of your pocket for me? Thank you. You're good. Just keep your hands out of your pockets.
Did anything happen to your mouth? Because I see blood on here.
Yeah, because she hit me.
She hit you?
Uh-oh, there it is. There it is, guys. There it is, man, right there. So that means someone has to go to jail. Look at that, man.
Is there any other anything? Did she hit you? Where did she hit you?
Yeah, she hit me everywhere.
Who is she to you?
Is she a girlfriend?
She's my girlfriend. We live together, but she hit me all over the place because I was drinking. I was drunk, and then she's mad at me because I was drunk.
Stand right here for me. Let him talk to the police. You talk to me. We need to investigate the situation. All right? Okay. Have a seat right here. Have a seat right here.
Can you put this in my car?
No. You can have a seat right here.
Okay. I can see.
Thank you.
Wait.
If nothing happened, then you shouldn't be worried.
Guys, don't do that vaping crap. It's disgusting, dude.
Yeah, it is.
Don't do it, man. Do not do it.
She hit you here or in Davie?
No, now we're here Triple B's. You know Triple B's?
Triple B's. That's in
It's on
Hollywood.
Dixie and Washington, Hollywood, I believe.
Triple B's.
Yes.
This is where it happened?
In Hollywood.
Yes.
And on Fed, right? On Dixie.
Yeah,
Inside or outside?
outside. Not inside, yeah.
I'm sorry, guys. What excuse does someone have that's a cop to be out of shape? You know what I'm saying? You're a cop. Like, what are you doing? You know?
And this happened what time?
Just right now.
Just right now? So Triple B's.
I mean, we can go home right now, you know?
See? This guy, the idea of him even being a victim or anything happening to her is just not even in his universe. And this is what I mean by it's going to blow up on them. Because all these 304s and all these strong and independent ethnists,
I am woman, hear me roar, in numbers too big to ignore.
they wanted the state to do something about this. We have a crisis. So when the DV happens, if it looks like there's marks on the victim, then the other person has to go to jail. If someone calls, someone has to go to jail. But now it's backfiring. Oops.
I don't know who called the police.
You got any ID on you?
Wrong for you. Copy that.
We take 911 calls seriously. You can't yell and say, call police, call police.
No, he just want to go home and I'm helping him. He was calling me like, baby,
yeah,
can
but you can't yell, call police, and then think we're not going to show up and then nothing's going to happen.
He needs help and I'm helping him.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, but you can't say, oh, call police, and then nothing happens. We need to come and investigate and see what's going on.
Nothing happened.
How long have you guys been dating?
I just helping him to go home.
How long have you been dating?
He's my husband. He lives with
married?
me.
Are you legally married or just?
No, he was with friends and he called me, baby, come, please, I need you, pick me up.
So then he calls her to do the right thing because he had been drinking, so he didn't have to drive. And she said, "Get over here!"
Oh yeah. Go ahead.
And that's it.
Okay, I'm asking, are you legally married?
No, we're good. We're good.
How long have you been dating?
1 year.
This chick. Look at that. Like I said, this is why there should be female officers. You know what I'm saying? Honestly, to deal with 304s.
We live together. Everything is fine.
Okay, we're just investigating. I don't know why you're getting so defensive.
Do you have the keys to this?
I know her.
She does? Okay.
Yeah,
That's one. I'm just going to shut it.
You don't have an ID or anything? Yes. Hold on.
You know what? I'd smash. There's a cop on the right, yeah, she can get it. You know what I mean? Yeah.
We're not saying that. I just said, do you have an ID?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, take a seat.
Is she like high or something? Or you guys just think she's a crazy 304? You know what I'm saying? That's
my person. I fucked it up. It's because I'm psycho.
Yeah. Yeah. Crazy 304. Yeah. Yeah.
She even has that crazy look in her eyes.
Is it a Florida ID? It is? Okay.
Just step back her because she wants to keep going over.
Okay. Who's that? That's your boyfriend? I don't know. I'm just getting here right now, so.
No, he was with the friends and he called me, baby, can you pick me up? And I came here for him and we're going home, but nothing happened. We're good.
Okay.
I don't know what is the problem. We're good.
So you were in this car to go pick him up from where?
Like 5 minutes away.
Okay. And then once you picked them up, what happened?
Nothing.
Nothing?
No, we stopped here to talk. Baby, what happened? You feel good? Because he was like, I don't know, sad for no reason, blah, blah, blah.
Was he out last night partying or what happened?
I don't know him, but yes. He was with the friends, but I just...
All right. Do you have a social security?
Yes.
Noting the multiple inconsistencies in the woman's story, and coupled with the obvious signs of trauma they noted on the male, the officers briefly confer before deciding how to proceed.
Go, go help her take her on. So, unfortunately.
Why?
Oh boy.
Oh, there it is, guys. It's about time.
So much for the Botox.
It's time! She's got a nose job, too.
You know she's got to go. Yeah. She got to go to jail. She does.
For real?
For real?
Nah.
With domestic, we can't.
No.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
No.
Here I come to save the day.
Oh,
Don't do it, dude. Don't do it, man. You didn't want.
They got the gloves on too. Don't do it.
Dude. You do not want to do that, bro. You do not. guys, this is so. I mean, she was yelling, call the police to try and get him in trouble. Because she knows the saying, that someone's going to, and then he was scared that he was going to get in trouble, right? So, like, both of them had no idea that this would happen. Look at that.
She's got to go. There's nothing
No,
they
why
can
go? Why?
because you're f***ed up.
Yeah, bro, but don't.
Just let this.
Money.
Stop. Stop resisting. I'm gonna put you on the ground if you keep resisting.
Money.
Do not resist.
But why?
I'm gonna put your hands behind.
But why you
I'm gonna
trying me
put you
like
on the
that?
floor. I'm gonna put you on the floor.
But I want to know why. Oh my God, money. Oh my God.
Why is her voice so deep? Is she a...
I mean, it could be. Could be.
I believe me. If I could, but we can't. I'm not
blaming
blaming you.
Let me drive, bro. Let me drive.
You can't drive. You're drunk.
No, bro. No, I'm not drunk. I'm not drunk.
No, he's not.
That was a lie.
Smell it, dude.
I know, bro, but I'm not drunk, bro.
On the ground! On the ground!
You're on the ground. Medicine, medicine.
Stop dragging her. Stop dragging her.
Hands behind your back.
Oh my God. What happened?
Please,
It's only gonna make it worse.
Please, bro. Don't
gotta
do
go.
this.
She's
Bro.
gotta
Don't do
go.
this.
They will get you too, Playboy. You better quit it.
Yeah,
Look,
bro.
I don't want you to go with her
No,
because
I
you've
know,
done
bro.
nothing.
Yeah,
I just want you
bro.
to relax.
Yeah,
It's gonna
but,
happen.
bro, look at this.
It's
bro.
gonna happen because of her. She just did this to you.
Put it now.
Money, what are you doing? I just trying to help you.
Please.
Just slap it on.
Yep.
Why?
Got it.
Money.
You got both?
Yeah.
Hey, she didn't do anything, bro.
Please, look at this guy.
Here I come to save the day.
And yes, I was going to say the same thing. These two female cops are having a hard time when one male cop could have just tossed her on the ground.
Yep, that's
Yeah,
right.
yeah, she sounds like a drunk Fran Drescher. Look at that.
Please.
Dude, you could say that. We still have to take her. You f***ed up.
You
bro,
gonna start crying?
Money, what are you doing?
Bravo 4, 10-15, white female.
Money, take the truth. Money, take the truth right now. No money, please. Why?
Look at this, guys.
No, nothing. I'm just emotional. Why don't you understand? Hi, I'm not.
Where's your car?
Why are you crying like that? Can I know why?
Domestic battery.
No,
Yes,
bro,
it
it was him. Bro, it was him. My
There it is, guys. Fucking knew it. I fucking knew it. I knew it. This knucklehead. Hold on, guys. I gotta calm down. Hold on. This moron, this simp, this beta, this was trying to show out.
Here I come to save the day.
And then the first thing this chick does is turn around and say, he's the one who hit me. Look at that.
Yep.
No loyalty, man. None. They will throw you under the bus so fast. All you guys that honestly think that you can depend on these 304s, I'm telling you, man, these chicks will literally be the end of you. Come on, man. Come on. Look at that. And for the rest of you guys that don't agree with us,
You can't handle the truth.
you can't handle the truth, and you are going to get got. I'm telling you. One of these 304s is going to get you big time. Look at that.
promise, I promise.
Lean against the car.
Listen, it was him. I
Lean against the
promise.
car.
See?
I'm gonna say the
Lean
truth.
against the
I'm
car.
gonna say the truth, but don't try me
Stop
like that.
moving.
I'm gonna.
Well, now she either has surgery or she has kids, because I think she has. Look at that. Look at this picture. I paused it on. I think she's got like a C-section scar. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, it was him. I promise.
Thanks, David. I appreciate that.
I promise.
Lean against the car.
Listen, it was him. I
Lean against
promise.
Look, let me move this out of the way.
I'm gonna say the truth.
You can't see it.
I'm gonna say the truth, but don't try me like that. I got videos in my cell phone. I got videos.
She's videos of myself. Well, she's snitching. Snitching.
I got videos in my cell phone. I promise. I show you right now the truth. I show you right now the truth. Yes.
Hey, we gotta
Yes, but I show you right now the truth. Mi amor, yo te voy a
I know,
decir
but
la
she's
verdad.
resistant, so that's why I slammed her to the ground.
No. It's a video. He hit me. He hit me 2 minutes ago.
First of all, it sounds like both these knuckleheads DV each other. You know what I'm saying? I mean, honestly, I mean, she's a crazy chick, and he's a beta. So you know what I'm saying? You got so much estrogen in their relationship. Who knows what's going on?
I was trying to cover him, bro. I swear.
Blood on his lips, man.
Mi amor, look my.
Yeah, I hate when they do that, man. They always gotta be. They do that stuff. I hate that, man.
Yeah.
Look, just
I don't have his cell phone.
I show you my cell phone.
There it is, guys. There it is.
Oh my god! Can I have my phone?
Right?
He's in the car. Give me a chance.
I'm taking her in.
Give me a chance. Give me a chance.
Have a seat.
Yeah, give me a chance to show you.
Have a seat. Go inside.
I tell you the truth right now.
Go and sit down. Sit down. Sit down, and I'm gonna drag you in there.
And I kind of have a chance to show you the truth.
We'll talk. Go and sit down.
I got proofs in my cell phone.
Put your feet in.
Mi amor, I got proofs in my.
Oh, thank
You
God.
got visible injuries. You're in a relationship.
I know, bro.
There's only so much we can do.
Oh, we can work it out, bro. We can go home and can you take her from home?
In the state of Florida, we can't do that.
No, that's what I'm
In the
saying.
state of Florida, we have to make an arrest.
For real, man.
Now,
No, we have to.
going forward, nothing might happen because you could go to the state attorney and tell him you don't want to press charges.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
No, I know, but we don't have that option right now. We can't just go, okay, you guys are going to be good, and then
why?
Because when she drives off and decides to get a knife and kill you, I'm not saying that's going to happen, but that's on us. We don't have an option, dude. We have zero discretion on what we can do. Believe me.
Do you have the car keys?
Yeah.
Car
keys.
So okay.
Yeah,
I know.
Yeah.
Oh wait.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're not going to do anything with the car, but I don't want to.
Yeah.
Do you know anybody?
What we can do, bro? Please, I don't want to take out. Please.
Do you want us to take pictures?
Please, don't
bro,
take
if I could let her go, I would.
No, bro. It's just girlfriend and boyfriend fight.
I know, but we don't. Believe me, dude. If we had that option, I wouldn't do it.
Please,
I can't. We can't. We don't have an option.
We can't stay in the hotel over here, and we can park the car. Can we do that?
Okay.
Can we do that? Can we park the car and we stay in this hotel? In this hotel over here?
It has nothing to do with you guys being being drunk. It's because
it's gonna be on her record, bro. Already, bro. Come on.
From inside the rear of the squad car, the woman is making some tragic and disturbing allegations of her own.
Maybe look his record.
Uh-oh.
He hit me too many times. Please, look. I just was trying to cover him. I promise you, I swear, for my mom. Look my cell phone. I got proofs. I got the video. Please send to me.
Nah, man. I mean,
I've been to jail, but when I was young, when I was 15, 16 years old. Not anymore. I'm 35. And now to see this, it's like...
maybe you're not gonna...
If we get here and you guys just say you argue...
You're not going to mess with this crazy broad anymore. Come on, man.
And you've got nothing on you, that's fine. We'll return
David, you are correct. 2 weeks from now. Yep. Because this escalates, guys. First, it's her, yelling, and then it's her hitting you, and then she sees that because most us guys can either put our hands up or do the prime Roy Jones Jr. Bob and weave. You know what I'm saying? But then what happens is they see that's not hurting you, right? They want to see you have visible pain, but they can't hurt you. So what happens is it escalates, and then next thing you know, she grabs a kitchen knife.
Oh.
And here's the thing: someone had once said that when you're young and you're a guy and you roughhouse with your friends, right? You guys are tussling, wrestling. Boys, by the time that we're men, we learn about applications of force, right? So, like, the difference between punching your friend, play blah, 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 and then punching someone that you're trying to hurt. You know what I'm saying? You know that if you pick up a brick, you're going to hurt someone. If you have a force multiplier, you realize the damage or the consequence. Women don't learn that. So how many times have you seen girls, I was angry and I hit him with the pen, with the bat. I didn't think he was going to die, right? Girls just get angry and they don't understand the measurement of force, the measurement of the application of force. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Lose, but she fucking got you, dude. I mean, you got scratches on your neck and she ripped your shirt. Yeah. Your fucking lips bleeding. Yeah. Go, lift your shirt up. Yeah, like right here on your neck. Yeah.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
I don't even notice that.
I know. I know.
Wow.
I know.
Wow, man, this is crazy.
That's why.
She's the one that made all these happen. She's like, oh, I'll call the police. I'm gonna call the police.
See, I told you. He thought that when the cops came that he was toast. That's why he was sitting in the car like, damn it, here we go again, right? But he didn't really think that she would be the one going to jail, at all.
Oh, you got some on your forehead too. Yeah, on the other side. Yeah,
so hey, what started all of this?
No, we was Triple B's and I was drunk and
what time did you guys get there?
What
time did you guys get there?
7 a.m. Yeah,
you got there at 7 a.m.
Yeah, because we get off from Amsterdam 6 a.m.
Okay. Oh, you work in Amsterdam?
Yeah.
She works in Amsterdam too?
Yeah. And then we get off and then we went to Triple B's and then she was mad because I was drunk and we would have to do something in the morning. And
it's 9 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, incredible.
So he was working the late shift, and then he decided to get off work, and go to the bar, and crush a few of them back. You know what I'm saying?
You guys are dating, right?
Yeah. No, we live together. We've been married for 5 years.
Oh, okay.
So they have a kid.
It's crazy. Yeah,
he has a kid with this chick.
Oh, forget it, man.
No. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, bro?
Got the kids.
And then, so what? She just got mad out of nowhere and just went to town on you?
I think it's the alcohol.
Right.
Yeah.
Did she start scratching you, punching you? Or?
Yeah, she started hitting me.
And this all happened in the car?
Yeah, inside the car. Yeah.
Right here, where it's parked?
Yeah.
How come you guys pulled in here?
Because she said she want to call the police and she want me to get off from the car.
The woman is transported away to a holding cell, but with serious accusations of physical domestic abuse coming from both parties, it's up to the officers to investigate further. Send 2 officers to Triple B Bar and Grill, the pub where the couple allegedly had their altercation after work.
Imagine being at a bar and grill on the morning shift. At a pub on the morning shift, and look at all those cars, dude. Everyone's probably in there getting trashed.
Their overnight shift. The adjacent auto repair shop may provide some answers.
Hey, is the manager here? Somebody that works inside? Thank you.
Tell you.
Hey.
I used to live down in San Antonio, guys, and you would see, you know, these Hispanic dudes hustling, man, straight up, man, working in these backyard mechanic shops. I tell you, what we should do to help solve the immigrant problem is take all the wokey wokes and 304s and literally take their identities and their souls, ship them out and trade them for foreigners. You know what I'm saying? All these people who come here and hustle, you know what I mean? Hustle hard. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
It's
good.
just crazy. Like all these blue-haired idiots who are the United States is you want leave. How about that? You know what I mean?
Hey. What's up, guys? Do y'all's cameras work?
Yes.
The ones out front?
Yeah.
You guys didn't happen to see how early do you guys get here? You guys open up early, right? Like 7?
8 sometimes.
There was a couple.
Look at them all. I'm like, uh-oh, shit.
Yeah, they're all lost.
Guys, you guys covered up all those cars we chopped up, right? all those Hellcats we've been bringing in, all those SRT Chargers. You know what I'm saying? You guys erased the tapes, right?
They got into like a domestic argument out front. The chick kind of like beat up
from
the guy. Yeah, they were in a highlighter yellow Jeep. I don't know if you saw that car out there. Yeah, do you mind if we could just see if we could see them?
Yeah, $20.
I don't know if I have cash. I just do. You take. I know you guys take cards. Thank you.
Sorry, guys. That's copyright music.
We don't know where. Yeah, they were next door. So maybe you see where our cop car is.
So yeah.
Maybe try that one first.
Can you see?
Yeah, hold on.
So if you want, you can just take it off.
Oh, okay. Yeah, if you don't mind.
Yeah. You just
Touch?
It's just the language.
Has it got a mouse? Oh, okay. Sweet.
Okay.
Thanks, man.
Yep.
Yeah, you can do it.
$704.
Maybe pull it a little bit forward until it's not there.
Like, okay.
On the little slider, yeah.
Oh.
Okay, now go back. Yeah, keep going. Okay, let's see.
I see them.
Is that them or the?
Yeah, it's her. She's wearing that fur jacket. I wish I could zoom in.
Let me see, guys. Oh wait, okay, here we go. Can you see Angel? There they are. You see them in this area? Okay, so they went in there together.
Yeah, maybe click speed up. Yeah. All right, that's gonna be quick.
Yeah, you got to move ahead of what, like an hour? I mean, they were in there at least an hour.
I'm going back just to.
Oh. Let's see. So they're right here, guys. Can you see? So they're there. They walk out. Where are they? Okay, they're right here.
Drag it a little more back. Like right there. No, forward.
There he is.
I'm like 25 or 20. Yeah, that's fine.
Don't move. Don't move, Kaba. Okay, now what?
Clicking forward ones.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys see them? They're right there.
Word of warning. What you're about to see is disturbing.
Oh. So he's like, get off me. And he's trying to walk away.
She might have ripped it out.
Yeah, because he's like looking at him.
Now they're right in front of the camera. Okay, so there they are. Uh-oh, she grabbed his shirt. Oh, look at that!
Oh,
did you see that, Angel? Did you see that?
Yeah, she brought him down. Boy,
Look at that!
What a simp!
Look at that! Shots fired! Shots fired! Look at that, dude. I think he was just hella drunk, so she threw him on the ground. And then kicked him in the stomach.
And she kicked him.
That is assault. Yep.
Dude, he is drunk. Oh!
Yes.
Throws in a cheap shot, huh?
Look at that.
Oh, they got all that, boy. Well, she's done, though, man.
No, she's still going. She's trying to get away.
Yeah, now they got evidence. Yeah, she's toast now. Forget it. She's toast. Now they got evidence.
All right, she hits him again.
Now, apparently, it gets worse, right? No, don't move. There we go.
You can turn it off. I'm trying to get it. Yeah,
Sometime later at the police station, and with the suspect still in the back of the same squad car, the bearded officer can be heard summarizing his findings to his compatriots.
Look when he hit me. Look when he hit me.
Again, because you'll see, he gets up like 2 times. We were just arguing this back and forth.
Look when he hit me.
So I called the state attorney to see if the girl that I know, because he cocks back a few times, and we were in agreement, like, since there's no like break in this, they never like separated for a good amount of time. She's obviously still being an aggressor. She doesn't have any marks. He could still be in fear. He's obviously trying to walk away, and she keeps attacking him. So it's never going to go in favor.
I just was trying to keep bringing him in the car.
I'll watch her back there.
We were fine both. Okay.
Mira aquí.
The suspect was charged with battery causing bodily harm via domestic violence and resisting an officer, obstruction without violence.
Well, that's it, guys. She beat the dude up.
Yeah, she's done.
Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful, man. Look at that, guys. Please be careful. Be careful. And last thing, this is so funny that Donald Glover, the actor, comedian, he hates black women. I don't know what you're talking about. Like, guys, if I was ever a celebrity, because I am black, obviously, but if I was ever a quote unquote black celebrity, right, I would do what Idris Elba and all of them do, where they just cater to a main audience and not the quote unquote black audience. Because they're so fickle, dude. You guys remember when Michael B. Jordan was like first doing Black Panther and all that other stuff? He took a photo with a white woman, and these black females lost their damn minds. Dude, Donald Glover, his kid's mom is white. And all they do is talk with he's black women. What are you talking about? It's ridiculous. Like, they asked him in an interview, are you afraid of black women? Please. Hey guys, have you heard of this word, Angel? Misogynoir? Have you ever heard of this?
Misogynoir.
Yeah, they're trying to say that it's misogyny mixed with, I mean, specifically geared towards black women. So it's this boogeyman that all these black chicks can try and use to try and justify why their lives are trash. And guys, yeah. So Wesley Snipes' wife is Korean. Dave Chappelle's wife is Filipino. You know what I'm saying? It's because why would you take the harder path? You know what I'm saying?
Right. And what's that dude's name? The one that plays Lando Calrissian? I forgot what his name is.
Billy D. Williams.
Billy D. Williams. He married a Japanese woman.
Yep.
He's still married to her though. He married her for decades. Decades.
Okay, let's see his wife.
Billy D. Williams. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
He was a cool guy back then, man.
Yeah.
He was a cool guy.
Dude, he was the ladies' man back in the day.
Yeah,
man.
back then. Yeah. Yeah.
Look at that, man. And then you guys know Mike Coulter. Wife. He's the guy that played Luke Cage. His wife. Look at this. This is his wife.
Oh yeah, Luke Cage. Yeah.
Guys, they have been together since they were in college.
Oh wow.
And you know he was on that gargoyle Wendy Williams show. And of course he had just played Luke Cage, so he was all buff and stuff, and all the women in the crowd were all oogling him and like, so what kind of guys do you like? I mean girls do you like? And he's like, I'm married. They showed a picture of him and his wife, and these bras were booing him. Can you imagine?
Wow, really?
Imagine. He said his wife is the only person that had believed in him. He was a theater and art student, and there was times where you know he was getting gigs, and then things weren't panning out, and he was going to give up. His wife said, "No, you said that you're going to be an actor, so you know what? Let's work towards that." You know what I'm saying? So he said that his wife is his biggest fan and will always be there to support him. You know what I'm saying? And these are the type. This is what women usually used to do. They would get with guys back when they were young and broke, and then be there for them. And then now that they're successful, that's paying off dividends. But now these modern day 304s, they want the finish line dude. They want the dude after he's done all the work. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Clown world. There's a Wesley Snipes' wife. Yeah, that's her.
Mm-hmm.
And then, have you seen Brian McKnight's new wife?
Yeah, Brian McKnight. Wow. I haven't heard him in a while.
He had to disown his other kids because they were so terrible to him, dude. He wrote them out of his will and everything, man. I did a live stream on that. So now he has a son named Brian Jr. He just had a son with his new wife and named his new son Brian Jr. Because he said his other kids, man, they are low down, dirty. You know what I'm saying? And now he says that his stepdaughter, his stepson, and his son, and this is his real family. And his other kids, His broke into his house, trashed his house, tore up his new wife and his wedding pictures. You know what I'm saying? Crazy.
Wow.
His biological daughter sued him. Clown world. You know what I'm saying? Guys.
That's a shame.
And guys, here's the thing. I was the last generation to be raised. You only date black women. Nope. I don't do that. So the girl that I'm with now is Korean. You know what I'm saying? This is the way it works. You know what I'm saying? Guys, young black dudes are not having this anymore. They see, why is it white dudes and Hispanic dudes and other dudes don't got to put up with all the crap that we do. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So yeah. Oh yeah. Clarence Thomas's wife. Yeah. They're still together after all these years. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, guys, dating makes you happy. If you even choose to date at all. You know what I'm saying? Don't let anyone tell you that be based on skin color or culture or any of that. You know what I'm saying?
Right. Right.
Clown world. Look at that. Especially with us black men. No one has to put up with the crap that black men have to. And yeah, we're not dealing with it. So all right, you guys, it's getting late here. Angel, closing words.
Guys, be careful though, man. Be careful of these 304. They try to get you to court, try to get whatever money they could get. Just just be careful with that though. Just study. Just concentrate on you. Concentrate on you. Concentrate on improving your life. Concentrate on improving, what's ahead of you and all that. And if you find the right person for you, you find the right woman for you, then hey, go for it though. The right woman, no 304. No OF, the right woman, a good woman.
Yeah, that's true.
The one that can help build you up, that'll support you and all that. That's what you need to get.
Here's the thing about the red pill though, is like, okay, red pill's about choice, right? And that's what these trad cons don't understand. Okay, because Pitmaster, like the passport bros.
Yeah, that's right.
The passport bros are still choosing to be in relationships. Matter of fact, there's a study that I'm going to show you guys in a video where online dating, it said 15% of women on dating apps said they wanted a relationship compared to 61% of men.
Wow.
So men still want relationships, but these 304s think that we're going to be forced to deal with them. No. Because if it's gonna be rare and it's gonna be hard, but if you find a traditional chick, maybe some chick from Utah or like Cheyenne, Wyoming, you know what I'm saying? Like there are girls out there from these po-donkey areas, you know what I'm saying? Or get your passports, you know what I'm saying? You meet her family, you think she's good. Of course, this might be rare, you know what I'm saying? But there are still some out there. It's tough. You gotta be. Or you can just choose to be by yourself, but it's about choice, and that's the thing that these trad cons and these male ethicists and stuff don't understand. It's all about our choice. They've made it abundantly clear, these trad cons and these 304s, these ethicists, that they don't care. So, but all right, you guys, I appreciate you guys. I'll catch you guys Thursday for 50 and 304s, and I'm out of here, guys. Have a good one. Bye, Angel.
All right, good night, AJ. Good night, everyone.